Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
Shop at Walmart, join the winning team. Fresh produce, sparkling like morning dew.
And his name is John C.
Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
Shop at
It's so cursed.
launch your
I'm not feeling well today.
at Walmart every
I'm struggling though. We got this.
Find the deals, find the treasure, come what may. Carts never heavy, wallets stay.
Hey, listen.
I'm gathering data.
Feels so right. Friendly faces greet you ear to ear. Shelves are stocked, got no fear. Need some milk or a
Look at this team.
Walmart's the
We're gonna
place
do
to give it a
great.
try. Boys and girls and everyone in between.
Hey,
Walmart's got what you
listen.
need to keep it clean, from detergent to soap, beauty, and more. Shop at Walmart is never a chore. Shop smart at Walmart every single day. Find
Lord,
the
have an
deals,
amazing
find the
stream. I love ya.
treasure, come what may. Carts never heavy, wallet stays light. Shop at Walmart, feels so right.
Hi, how are you?
Shop smart at Walmart every single
Hey,
day.
listen.
Find the deals, find the treasure, come what may.
Hi, how are you?
Wallet stays light. Shop at
Welcome in,
Walmart,
everybody.
feels so right. Shop at Walmart, feels so right.
Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
Listen here. Listen. I'm in my starting screen. Come on.
Camera click, little wave to the side. Mug of cocoa.
I mean, I was prepared.
Tiny castle loading on the screen. Spinning in a chair like it's a dream. Gotcha pulls
Chester's on my lap. He's giving cuddles. Debatable. Oh, come on. That first one was really good.
quests turning into four. Laughing as the plushies hit the floor. We queue up, cozy with the lawn. All day, all night. Game on, side by side in this tiny world we roam.
Thanks.
Fireworks above, just beneath feels like home when we're
Alright, guys, we're playing Heartopia, so I'm gonna get in my Discord.
yeah, we fight, we'll win.
Yeah, we're playing Heartopia tonight. I am gonna do a bonus stream tomorrow, guys.
Stardust dress, she's twirling on the bridge. Spans cute till it fills the whole grid. Messy bun, blue light in her eyes. Screenshot this, it's a perfect night.
We're switching it up. Okay, listen, we're switching it up. Alright, I'm gonna jump in the Discord here in a second. 3 straight streams. Well, no, I did Disney Dreamlight Valley on Thursday last week. Did I have extra streams? Did I do bonus streams? I don't remember. It's all a blur. Yeah, Thursday, Friday, Saturday we'll be doing streams. So Friday bonus stream, Saturday Heartopia again, more than likely. All right, we're gonna switch over. I love that song. I like how that song turned out.
Hi, how are you?
Hello. Wow, this music is loud. Let's see. I gotta get Heartopia started up. But welcome in, everybody. Hi, Browning Simmer. We got so many people in here. Hi, Baby Blue. Hi, Mystic. Hi, Inbrit. And Slev lurking. Appreciate it. Appreciate the creeping. I know he's streaming. That's the bot boss right there if you don't know. Let's see. Alright, let's go ahead and get this game open. I like this song. I made it. And I love, like, it's like an anime intro type feel to it.
Hi, how are you?
Giveaway Saturday. Yes, Saturday will be our giveaway because it'll be the last stream of the month. Welcome in, Grammy. Welcome in. I mean, should I do a private server? Should I do a private server? I don't know how many people are going to be jumping in. I can do a private server.
Hey!
Hey,
Listen!
Haas. I have a cat in my lap. Hey, Chester. Hey, baby. I'll do a private server because I think, honestly, I still have like several hours left. Haas, that was not a good choice.
Listen!
Let's see. I have 21 hours left. I have a lot of hours, so let's go ahead and knock out 2 hours here. And then the password's gonna be Bunny. You know the drill, guys. This cat is just enjoying this. But you're more than welcome to hop into the private server. I'm planning on doing my dailies. Feeding some animals, decorating. All the things. Hi, baby. Bob wants furniture from me. I'm gonna go create some joinery chairs.
Hi, how are you?
You need the elements? Yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I don't remember what I got done today. That's another thing, like why I'm playing Heartopia, because I did not get any of my dailies done practically. Welcome in, CJ. Of course. Pet pats for CJ. All right. I found the badge I needed. Okay, I'll make sure to mark it off my list and that you got it. That way I don't have to keep looking for it. Everybody I'm running into, I'm like, do you have this badge? Oh, what did you think of it? I love the song. I'm going to play it here in a little bit. I'm going to craft 4 chairs. It's usually like 3 or 4 that he wants. And I was working on this off stream because I unlocked this little corner lot right here. I'm going to add some more details to it, but I created like a cute little fairy type home. I wanted to do something that didn't have just plain black and white colors. What's the town ID? You can just click on me and your friends list, say join town, and then the password is Bunny. I do have an extra rainbow dash on the nebula if you or anyone needs it. I think at this point, all I need is freaking yeah, I need Applejack. That's all I need. That is all I need is Applejack. I have 2 of Fluttershy now. So if anybody needs Fluttershy, I have Fluttershy. You finished all yours? That's fantastic. Where's Ingrid? It's creeping. Good sir. Good sir, where are you? He's back this way. He's at the front. Doop doop. Beep beep. And are we going around in circles? That would be too funny if we are. Oh, he's too... Hi. Oh my god, I love your penguin slippers. Those are so freaking cute. I'll pull on the pack I have and see if I get what you need. What do you need? I need Applejack of row 2 and 3. That's all I need. I finished row 1.
Okay.
I'm hoping to get Applejack too. I think after this I might be able to pull a pack. We'll head to the tree and water. Let me know if the music is too loud. Thank you, Grammy. I love your dress, Grammy. So cute. Let's see. We can do the dance. You can do the ring around the rosy dance. Yes, I have them all now. Thank you. Spin spin. It's so cute. Grammy, do you need any of the badges? I have an extra badge for the Fluttershy third row for the flower rainbow if you need it. Thank you, Inbrit. I don't know if I should go over there. Last time you kidnapped Snow and I and had an axe. That was so freaking funny. I liked trapping you. It was fun. You never know what you're gonna get sometimes with me. Although I feel like I have a running trend of trapping people now in like rooms and lurking with an axe. I can use all the badges you can spare. Yeah, let me make sure. I might have put my one of them up on there, so I'm gonna have to go up to the collection room real quick, which is on the right side. Yes, it's on the right side. I'm all for badge trading, so if you guys want to come over to the house and do some badge trading or anything like that, let me know. But I am gonna not have any extras unless I pull one extra one. Hopefully I don't pull an extra one. And I actually start completing my set. Where's Grammy? Grammy! There she is. Forget who was holding her hand when she was kidnapped.
Alrighty then.
That was so funny. All right, have fun with bowling. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Inbrit. Be safe, okay? Let's see. Let me grab the badge. And then I will send badge. Yep. And there you go. All you gotta do is shake my hand, Grammy. Alright, there we go. Perfect. I'm gonna go put my other one back on there before I accidentally do something silly with it. I like seeing it, like, all of it lined up. And I've tried to line up all the ponies underneath each other, their respective pony. So I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. I should, yeah, of course, Grammy, of course. I should be able to pull another pack. Should be. Keyword, should be. Let me go water. I don't know if it's going to give me any more. I don't remember if it gives you more when you water. I did enjoy playing with you guys. You guys are more than welcome to hop into the server. It is a private server, so there's going to be room for everybody. I don't have that many people actively watching to fill up an entire private server, so please do not hesitate to come on over. Come on over, baby. Oh yeah, I gotta listen to that. When we go up to the tree, we'll listen to Haas's song too. I love this song though. Listen, I love this song. I started singing this song while I was in my kitchen cooking. I will after my puzzle. Okay. Thank you, Inbrit. We will definitely be up to shenanigans. Over here. He still chooses her too. I'm addicted to this song. You did such a good job on it. So freaking good. I gotta pull up the other one in Discord. Oh shoot, I gotta jump in the voice chat. I'm so silly. I did not jump into voice chat. Please yell at me. Okay, let's go. General chat. There we go. It is a good song. It is. I love it. I don't know why I tried to pull my actual watering can out. Silly goose. Okay, I don't think I have enough to pull a pack. I'm like addicted here. Like, please, just give me more. Let's see. I'm so close to getting these. Every day I've logged in. There was one day I didn't water the tree. Just one day, and I regret it. I need a few for second row and many for the last. Ooh. Well, I will advertise if anybody wants to do any pin trading. I am so down for it. If you have extras and you don't want them, and you want to trade with people, or you just want to give them to me and I will find people to give them to, I'm constantly giving my bitches away. I'm like just playing offline and I'm like, hi, you need patch? Try to save them for the community, but every now and then I meet a random person who wants to trade badges. We need to go feed some animals. It's the late night one. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there's the... I freaking did not get this yet today. I just realized that. Inbrit always posts the locations in the Discord. And I completely forgot to grab this one. I'm pretty sure I got the tree today. Pretty sure. Okay. Oh, we gotta go talk to Bob. You know what that means, guys. We gotta go up these stairs with this car. That's what we gotta do. We gotta go give Bob the builder some stuff. Oh, look at that. That turn was sick. Okay, listen. I usually don't pull that off that smooth. And I don't know what's in the shop. I need to check what's in the shop. Hey, Bob. I'm pretty sure I haven't bought anything in the shop. Nope, I haven't. Although he's been reselling some things that I already have. Come on, Bob. I have repaired the repaired the requested items. You want 5 now? The audacity of this request, sir. What the hell? You usually want like 3 or 4, but now you want 5 out of me? That's messed up, dude. This cutting board. It's okay. I know, I'm not upset at that price. I do need another one of these, but 20 stars. Restaurant chalkboard menu. Kind of want to save my blue stars for something else. I think I already have this one. Yeah, I already have one. I'm not getting another one. I don't really have a kitchen set with that color, and I'm not really pursuing that color. So, yeah. I think I got everything I needed from this one. Because this isn't really my color scheme I'm going for. I like mainly buy out all the plants, all the bears. But I'm not really a huge fan of like the brown. And I think this is for level 30. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Yeah. Better stuff next time, Bob. Or you'll get the X. Like Audrey did. And Mystic. Okay. I guess I could check the clothes out. I don't have enough to finish the, what's it called? Ooh, these are kind of cute. Oh, is that a bunny? Damn, phone be vibrating very loudly. Let me plug this shit in and put it on no vibration. I love the bunny shirt. It's 30 stars though. Okay, but listen, if we buy this, we're gonna build the fit around it, okay? We're gonna put a fit around the bunny shirt, if the bunny sweater, if we get it. We'll do work. Can I do a fit around this? I feel like I can. I'm gonna keep it on, and I'm gonna see if I can do a fit around it. I feel like I have an outfit for this. Ooh, not the glass. The bug freaking carrier. I don't have enough. Those are some short shorts. Leave my cute shorts alone. Thank you very much. Alright, we're gonna buy this and we're gonna build a fit around it. No, we're not gonna wear it right now. Okay. Alright, it's time to get changed in the middle of the street. Because that's what everybody wants to see, is lawn get changed in the middle of the street. Alright, can we like strip all this off? Ooh, let me save it real quick though. Save this preset. New preset. Let's do Spring Bunny. It's cute. Alright. Let's go ahead and do... Sure. I just bought it. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I am blind. I don't know if I'm feeling... Oh, these are cute though. Yes, we all want to see... Oh, hi. Hi, my queen. Let's see. I think this is cute. Okay, but we're gonna change... We're gonna change some stuff up first. That's kind of cute. I don't mind the stripey with the blue sweater. And then we need to get some cute shoes in here. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I could be like slippers and be like, I am tired. I am so freaking tired, actually. Oh, bitch. Oh my god, this is cute. Hold on. Why are you trying to scare me though? I like these shoes, but they don't go. But these are cute. Okay, hold on. I don't have many dark hats. I don't have many dark hats. I'm feeling very hua with this one.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Let's see. No, not a fan. The bow is cute. I think I can pull it off with this outfit. Let's change the ears. We're going to change the ears to dark ears, and we are going to change the hair for once. So, but I have to go into a different menu for that. What are we going to do for the... There's a bag. I'm trying to blend the different elements of black and white. Oh yes, the penguin camera bag is cute. But we gotta change the hair. It's too pink. It's way too pink. So I'm gonna have to put on some different hair, but that's gonna require me to go swap out some stuff real quick. We'll save this for now, and then we'll go upstairs to change the hair, because this is kind of like a dark, moody fit, and it's not really working. Oh shoot, Haas's song. Damn it! Somebody yell at me. Alright, I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna play Haas's song. Let's see. You know, it'd be funny if I accidentally ended stream instead of turning off my music. Okay, Haas. Haas has a song. He sent it to me today. So we're gonna listen to it. There we go.
There's a little map folded in my back pocket, leads to a place where the hurricane stop it. A front porch swing and an open sky where the tears dry fast and the rivers don't lie. You won't find it on no highway sign, ain't a dotted line on
Real men of genius.
Welcome to Autopia, where the neon moon shines bright, where the broken find their mending in the middle of the night. It's a two-lane road to euphoria, past the doubt and the fear. Yeah, love's the only law in Heartopia, and everybody's welcome here. There's a jukebox playing all our old songs, where the good ones stay and the gone ain't gone. Every wrong turn brings you right back home to a field of faith where the wildflowers roam. You can lay your burdens at the city limit, trade them in for a little forgiveness. Ain't no shame, ain't no phonia, just open hearts and heart open, where the porch lights glow like a lighthouse beam, guiding lost souls back to their dreams. Welcome to Autopia, where the neon moon shines bright, where the broken find their mending in the middle of the night. It's a two-lane road to euphoria, past the doubt and the fear. Yeah, love's the only law in Heartopia, and everybody's welcome here. It ain't about the money or the fame, ain't about a last name carved in a frame. It's a place you build with open arms, brick by brick from your battle scars. When the world gets cold and hard to hold, you can find that fire in your soul. Close your eyes, take my hand, we'll start our own.
Alrighty then.
No, I don't like it.
Welcome to
I'm alright. I'm convinced to play this instead of DDP. It's like, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You know it. I'm digging the glasses. I think they're funny. I think they're so freaking funny. Okay, listen though. This is cute as shit. Oh, those are adorable too, but it doesn't make sense with my ears. Oh, that's cute. I like the snowflake in my hair. That's adorable. I'm glad I can convince you, Queen. Okay, you know what? We're rocking this. I'm a gray little bunny today. I know these are sheep ears, but listen here. I just got really cute. Do you have a hoodie? For my character? I do. I think so. Let's see. I do, but it's more of like these things. Don't really have it. I love that song, Haas. That was a very beautiful song. I'm gonna add it to the rotation. Let's see, where do I put it? Oh, that's my stuff. Don't look at that. Stream songs. I'm gonna download it and I'm gonna move it into my stream song set list. I love it when you guys make songs for me. Like legit, you make a song for me, I'm going to put it in my folders and I'm gonna play the music on stream. Where's it at? Downloads. So you guys make songs for me, it goes into stream song folder and then we get to have a good time with it. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the playlist again. And then, oh my freaking goodness. I shuffled and played and this one started. Well, it's so good, we're gonna listen to it twice now. I need to work on a better one. I like this one a lot. I'm a huge fan of country. I love country. I like a lot of different types of music. I love country pop so much. Like if it has a story, I love it. All right, this gray little bunny is gonna go back to her home because actually I think I have to cook meals. What do I have? Requests for food. All right, let's go cook like 3 salads. I think the cooking thing is over here. We might as well, right? Kitty hinted that I do country music better, so I have been sticking with it. Ah. Well, whatever you want to do, I'm just grateful because you have made some really beautiful songs. So I don't know if you heard me earlier. You might have been like tabbed away or doing your thing, doing IRL stuff. But I literally, the song that you made, I think it's called Lawn Love or something like that. I don't remember the title of it, but I literally sing that in my kitchen. I'm not even kidding when I say I was singing it yesterday and I was humming it today. And it's usually like when I'm in the kitchen doing something and I just thought of the song and I started humming it. Oh, you're using my wheat? Oh no, bitch, no. No! You cannot have my wheat. I'll do mushrooms instead. Yes, the date night lawn. That's what it's called. Date night lawn. It's a date night lawn. I love it. Freaking love it. It's so freaking cute. I can go to Massimo now? Was that who wanted it? Oh. Come on, Massimo. I'm gonna just run over all of your kitchen stuff. Welcome in, lovely. Mystic is in the house. Probably not in her house. What? 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 Oh my goodness, it's your house? Ma'am. What have you been up to? I will gladly put my money in your cash register. Cha-ching! I think that one or one about your kids is my favorite. Yes! I love both of those so freaking much. You need some watering. Wait. Do we need to do like some resonating? Look at you. You're so cute. Those boots though. Those freaking boots. I'm feeling my moody self today. Look at me. I'm all black and white, but the penguin camera case is love. Doggy is almost starving. Ma'am? Doggy is starving? Doggy is starving now. He said, feed me. I got you. No worries. Here we go. Jinx, what do you need? What do you need, Jinx? Tell me more. Can't have my fishies. Wait, you have 3 pets? Holy crap, lady. Aw, Snow. Oh my god, I've got to come see the boots. Yas. Come see the boots. These boots were made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. This one! Oh my gosh, Hoss, we were literally just talking about it. That's funny that this one played next. Your cat, oh, yes please. Okay, let's play a game. We're gonna play a game, Mystic. Ready? All right, it's best 2 out of 3.
Okay.
If you win, I gift a sub. Either, I gift you a sub. How about that? If you win, I gift you a sub. If I win, I gift one to the community. How about that? All right. I will go first. All right. I got scissors. Paper. 1 point for me. All right. Do you want to go first this time? I gotta keep track of this. My brain ain't smart enough for this, guys. Okay, you got scissors. Scissors, it's a tie. Let's go again. Scissors. All right, my turn. Scissors. Your dice is broken. Paper. Scissors. Doo-doo. I get to gift a sub to the community. All right, I'm gonna jump on my thing and gift a sub to the community real quick. Thank you for so much for playing that game with me. I feel like regardless, somebody wins, right? All right, I'm gonna gift a sub. It's gonna be random.
I never met nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy the way you do. I never met nobody like you. Woo! I never met
Excuse me? What the hell happened?
nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy twice. You do. I never met nobody like you.
Are you done? Are you broken? Okay, you're good. What the hell? Twitch be twitchy. What the heck? I know this scene is not broken. Alright, that was fun. I enjoyed that. Thank you so much. Thank you for the game. Now I gotta check out your lovely house. I love the bike rack. There's a penguin visiting my home, guys. Mistake, I will come back. There's a penguin. I probably have to go feed him. Is he hungry? Why do they always visit when they're hungry? He's like, I'm hungry and I don't want to interact with you. I need more furniture. Girl, same. Yes, it's a very lovely house. Look at you. Oh, you brought me apples. Inbrit. Baby penguin visited my house. Look at that. He visited my house. You better play with me. Don't reject me. Don't reject me. My heart can't handle it. My heart can't handle rejection. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, hello.
Bro, there's this 10-year-old boy that's chasing me in Artomia.
Hi, I'm streaming, by the way.
Oh shoot! Oh, what up, chat? Is your girl Mo? What up?
If you guys want to join on the
Oh,
private
no!
server, you're more than welcome to.
Yeah, I just messaged you because I was like, I cannot join, and me and Ivy were trying to get rid of this. Like, oh, he's in my house again! No, brother! Oh my god.
The password's Bunny.
Okay.
Too
Let
funny.
me see. Bro, it was because like he added me and then I added him back and I don't know, he did like a fireworks show for me and I was like, oh okay, cool. Then he added me as a friend and then I was like, you adding badges? He said, why? And I was like,
Trading badges?
trading badges, and he didn't get it and then he was just following me everywhere and I was like, how old are you? And he's like 10. I'm like, yeah, I can't be friends with you. And I just took him off my friends list.
Immediate
Then he started
unfriend.
Yeah, then he started just following me. And I was like, no. He was serenading me outside my window. Oh, shit.
My god.
I was like, not him playing the guitar outside the window.
Oh my
I gotta
god.
drive by. I'll join your server. Hold on.
Nagini. Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna sit down next to a penguin. He's adorable. Anybody else is more than welcome to jump into VC if you guys are playing on the server.
Okay, let me see. Because we're all in Jason's thing. Let me see.
So cute. Oh, I'm getting all the pictures with the penguin. He's so cute. Can I do more with him? I'll
Yeah,
keep doing
the penguin is at my front doorstep, and I was like, "Bruh, you are so far from home. Why are you at my front doorstep?"
And mine's like a baby too, so it's like super small. super tiny baby.
Oh, that little baby.
Baby.
Bro, I'm tired of this dog. Bro, I'm about to. You always hungry. I give you nothing but my heart and soul.
Thank you so much. Best friend.
Thank you
Some
so
zombie
much
is now
for the
following.
follow. I appreciate it. Welcome in. Hello, hello. I see who followed. I appreciate you. I know you.
Oh. But she knows you. She watches you.
I am. I'm always watching.
Always. Yeah, I've been making my PNG thing. I just got done with the chair line art, and now I gotta do the character.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, this is such a long process.
Yeah, pixel art is no joke. I'm.
Yeah. Well, not the pixel art. The like the PNG.
Oh.
Like I'm doing it on Clip Studio.
Oh no.
Yeah, so I don't have to
Oh.
use the pre-made one I bought on Etsy.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
I was like, oh, I just got done with because I'm putting her in a little the chair.
Mm.
That's what I've been doing the last couple days.
Nice.
Oh my god. Oh wait, where are you at? I don't even know where I'm going.
Okay, I gotta go check out Mystic's house. Now that I've been thoroughly distracted by the penguin, I'm gonna go check out Mystic's house. Mystic's house is crazy. It's so pretty. And I gotta go finish watering. Oh, that is not a
Oh,
watering
shoot.
can. That is not a watering can, woman. Alright. Alright. I'm watering. Meow. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's an instrument. Oh, she's decorating. Yes. Ooh. You know what I saw that was something that was really cool, Mystic? Somebody took like these pillars in the build mode and they put them in front of it to like block off the sides. And
Oh.
made it look like very museum-y. It was very cool. So I don't know if you're
Oh.
thinking about that, Mystic, but it was a really cool concept, and I thought you might
For
like
some
it.
reason, I thought you were talking to me. My bad. That is a cool concept, though.
It is. It is. Mystic's over here decorating. She has such a cute house. Oh my gosh.
I know, I'm coming. I just redid my house. It took me like 2 freaking days.
Oh yeah, I gotta come see it after I'm
Yeah.
done.
I was sweating.
Oh, you got the little family mart thing in here too. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, that's cool. I like this. I like this. Oh, it's the pink bear set. Lucky. I got the blue bear set, and I'm not exactly happy with the blue bear set.
I should have got the pink one because it matches my decor better.
Hmm.
For sure. But I also didn't want bears because I was like, I need more tropical themed.
Very cute though.
Oh, okay.
Checking out. This is Momo, guys. Momo is
Yo,
on NBC.
hi.
Oh, that's a cute sweater. Did you make that?
Yes, yes, I
What?
did.
Oh my god, that's the Twilight Sparkle. Welcome in.
Yes. Here, let me take my
Hi, Mystic.
Let me give.
Hey,
Oh,
you
hey.
see my new
Mystic.
chandelier?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
she rich. She
Bougie.
rich. Okay.
My god.
God.
It's so
Got that
pretty. I hit level 30.
money.
Is this a
Oh,
I hit level
30
30.
item?
No, I opened up
That's
the next
crazy.
part of the store, the furniture store,
Uh-huh.
and it was there, so I bought it.
I'm gonna save you electricity. There we go.
Oh, thanks.
But the bills are expensive, damn it.
That's my
The bills are
workshop.
expensive. The inflation in Heartopia is crazy.
It is.
Here, let me.
Oh, I
Okay,
like
let me.
this.
I
This is
shortened the
cute.
hair so you can see the back.
Yes, yes.
This took me like a day to do.
This is your
It's so
Twilight
cute.
Sparkle one, right?
Yes, the Twilight Sparkle fit.
It's
Because I was like, I
cute.
wanted her to look more
cute.
academic, so I was like, she's a smarty pants. So I gotta make her
love
look
it.
kind of nerdy.
I think it's adorable. You did a good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Why do I have the watering can in your house, Mystic? Put some water.
I don't know. You wanted to water my.
This is
So
the
get to work.
feeder, girl. How do I get this? Cause wow.
Just leveling them up and then buying it at the store, the pet store. I don't have the dog one yet because the dog takes forever, but the cat, it's like so easy.
I'm ignoring my cat. They're too demanding.
I got 3 of them.
Cats are demanding. That dog is demanding. I'll be like,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah,
Freaking
I'm
garbage.
and that
get
dog
workload
breaks
peanut
everything.
money.
I didn't know what to do in here. This is just extra like stuff.
I'll
This is my
make it for you.
bathroom.
I like it. I like it. Love it. Love it. Ooh,
The house tour.
cute. Oh, okay.
Oh, I just realized what this was right here.
got the fish
I
tank
wanna-
in the bathroom.
Okay.
Okay, why can't I get a toilet roll
No,
holder? I have
no.
not gotten a toilet roll holder, and it kind of pisses
Is
me off.
it a toilet
Really?
roll holder or a paper towel holder? 'Cause
It's
mine said
toilet paper.
Towel.
Aw,
Mine's-
it does look like
Bro,
a
I want.
toilet. paper.
yeah, it's
Let me see.
I want one. I
I'm
need it.
lost in your.
I
I'm
need
lost
it.
in your maze. I need it. I'm lost in this maze.
I'll find you.
Oh.
There you go. Yep, the bathroom's
got
in
you.
there. Over here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
still mind my
Yeah,
main.
Oh, yeah. For some reason, it said paper towel for me, so I thought it was just paper towel roller.
All right, I'm gonna need y'all to get out.
Oh my gosh, I need this.
Oh, even you.
Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Listen.
We're looking at the fish. We're looking at the fish.
All right. okay.
This is how you
Oh,
know.
don't touch me. I'm
This
dirty.
is true friendship right here.
Yeah, wash your hands.
All right, we're good. Oh, yeah, it was 20 seconds. Shit. Ah. Wash 'em
Okay,
again.
okay. Oh, you got the little headset.
Oh, cute.
This is just like collectibles and stuff.
This
Where'd you
Not
get
down this room.
this? Where is this at?
You know, I forgot how I got that. I don't even
I was
remember.
seriously hoping for like a straddling seating motion, but no.
I know. It doesn't
What?
do
On
that.
No,
the
literally.
side.
Missed opportunity.
Yeah.
I want the otter ones.
There's Snow and I sitting on my car. And then I like this picture of me because of
That's cute.
fireworks, but I need to get the bigger pictures.
Aw.
Oh, look, 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 look.
Mm-hmm.
Is that, who is that? Oh no, that's that Ashley? I can't
Let me
remember.
see. I think this is us, and I think this is.
Aw.
Trying to remember because this one was very recent.
Yeah, it was us, right? I thought so.
Yeah. I'm trying to remember. if
That's a
it-
really neat picture right here with the snowy
Ashley.
trees.
Oh yeah, that's
Isn't that cool?
Yeah,
That's
that's a really
cute.
neat picture.
and the dress.
Very, very majestic.
She's like, I'm looking over my land. This is my land.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, you heard
My bedroom.
Aw, this is cute.
Speaking of badges, y'all got any dupes? Got any dupes?
I need some. I have. Let's see. I
I
have
gave away all my
extra.
I'm out
Got
of
a few.
dupes. I just gave.
I
I
got-
literally just gave away my dupe.
This one freaking girl, she didn't want to give me her dupes because I had nothing else to trade for her. And I was
Aw,
like, you,
what are you gonna do with them though? That's not nice.
that's what I said. I was like, you greedy. You're greedy and gluttonous. But well, I got the flower rarity. I got 2 flower rarities. And then I got 3 shiny rarities and 2 shiny twilights.
I
And
am being eluded by
I have. I have 2 Fluttershy's Glance. I have 3 Rainbow Dash Strike. I've had really bad luck, dude. Rainbow Dash's Glide. Do
Oh
I
my
have
gosh.
that one? Yeah.
I need the
trying to make
Fluttershy
sure.
glance, the Fluttershy sweetness, and then the Twilight's wish, and then I'm completely done.
Well, I can give you a Fluttershy's Glance.
Yes, please, please.
Aw, thank you guys.
Forget how to do this.
Just make
You
sure
gotta-
you have 2 badges in your with you.
I do.
That way you
Yeah,
can
I
trade
do.
one of them, and then you just do you go to the badges and you say send badge, and then you get to select the badge.
Wants me to place or store? I'm confused.
You should click on the souvenir event details.
Yeah. So.
I see. Okay, I got
And
it.
then the bottom right corner will be the send badge. My ear is itchy.
Yeah.
History. What's my history? Ah, okay. So it shows like what I've sent
Oh,
and drawn and tamed from gifts. Oh, that's so cool. So it actually tells you which ones you got from trading, drawing, or getting from like the mystery boxes. I like that. That's cool.
yeah, that's cool. I didn't even know that. I have the badge if you're ready.
I'm ready.
Alright,
I'm
gonna-
ready,
I
Freddy.
got.
I'm
Well,
gonna,
come get it.
I'm gonna
What?
gently
Where'd
caress
you go?
Massimo.
Wait, you went outside.
Why would I? I don't. need
No,
any
that was
badges.
Ron.
No, it's not. Oh. Wait, who am I? Wait.
You're gonna go to.
I'm
Mystic.
standing in the house, looking at you.
Oh, I'm
Just-
confused.
so
Oh,
look
Lon's
into my
always wearing them
eyes.
horns, so I just was confused on who's who for a second.
I'm the emo
okay.
bunny. I'm emo bunny right now, so you're good.
Oh,
I'm feeling emo-ish.
thank you. Thank you.
Work's got me in a mood.
You're welcome.
I'm almost
Yeah, I
done. I just need
need-
2 badges now. I just need 2.
Thanks.
I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 7. I need 2 more for the second row, and then the rest are on the bottom. I finished the first row.
Can you post
Do you have a
what
flower
you,
rarity?
like a picture of what you have, and then that way I can keep an eye out for you. And then if anybody else in the
Yeah.
Discord wants to trade, I know Inbrits are avid
If
traders.
you hear any craziness, it's Jason, my husband in the background.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. He be talking crazy.
All right, Massimo.
Here,
Come here. Come here, Massimo.
Where do you want me to send it? Your Heartopia thingy?
Yeah, you can post it in the Heartopia chat. The updates is more for like when codes or
Heart
like
chat?
yeah, heart chat.
I don't ever speak in your thingy. They're gonna be like, who the heck is this? Who are you?
You know what's funny? My mods do flag people that are like they've never seen.
No,
They're like that flag day actually. They're like, who is this person? And I was like, guys, calm down. Like, let's give them a chance.
They should know
give 'em a
me.
chance.
I'm always around.
Yeah, all the pitchforks came out in the mod chat, and I was like, hold on, calm down.
Dang, Mystic. You need a lot.
Yeah, the top row's done. I didn't even show the top row because it's done.
Is that because we didn't know
Oh,
like
here,
the rest
here,
of the
here.
packs existed?
I have a, I think I have a.
Oh shit! Yeah, you do need more.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Hold
I
on.
do it every
need to-
day. I just don't have enough people to trade with.
Mm.
Hold on. That's why I just be adding random people. I'm like, you got badges? And they'd be like, no. And I'm like, I and I DM random. I'm business only.
Naniwa.
see.
Butterfly.
Oh.
Brother. Are you also
Okay, here,
fucking
here.
far away?
I need a freaking. I have the rarity one for you though. I got rarity for you.
Yay!
Let me see.
Oh, I used 3 fertilizers. I literally just used all my fertilizers yesterday. And I gotta pet my dog.
Let that happen. Let that happen.
Bill, go away.
All right.
No, Bill.
Yeah, Bill, not right now. Not right now,
Fuck
Bill.
off, Bill.
Listen here, Bill. Bill be stingy. He be like, hey, I need some sea fish. You live on the dock, Bill.
Like,
you
go fish.
live it there. Oh, we're neighbors, Mystic. We're freaking Mystic.
Oh, nice.
We're neighbors. I think I have to go
We have the
over
same
here
car,
to-
too.
I'm stunting on these hoes, you know what I mean? I mean, can I say
Good.
that?
18 plus, lady.
Alright, cool. I'm like, I'm stunting on them
I'm
hoes.
jelly.
My,
I'm jelly.
my
Listen, she's standing on
legged
business.
Bugattis.
Standing on business over here.
Jelly.
Yeah, legged Bugattis.
I have the
Right.
one right at the moment.
I get you. Here, let me open my doors. Welcome to my tropical paradise. Yes. Yes. It's kind of. I made it bigger, so it's like really empty, kind of.
That's how mine feels.
You have a lot of stuff in yours. Yeah, take a look
The
at that.
burnt food. I love it. I love
Yeah,
it.
it's a volcano. It has to fit the theme.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, that's
Uh,
awesome. Actually, it really does look like a volcano.
yeah. Gotta fit that beach theme, and then got my pantry up in here. Got the
Oh,
hungry. There's some vegetables and fruit. Just take a grab.
She's like, I'm
My
gonna feed
home
you.
is your
I'm
home.
gonna feed you.
No, for real. Like in real life, I'll feed you in real life.
oh my god, I love this.
Thank you. I just finished all of it today too, bro.
It's so
stressed.
cute.
Thank you,
Oh,
thank you. Got
God.
my whole. This is the showroom, by the way. The showroom.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice.
And then here, let me get
Oh
this.
yeah. Oh, your buttons.
All my buttons. Alright, I had to make sure I have that in there. Alright.
I'm really hoping these otters aren't gonna be angry. Oh shit, I'm going off road. No, we're not getting out of the car. We are driving the car all the way up. So we need to be where we're at.
Hey, oh, I love that one. Rarity's like one of my favorites.
Oh my gosh. I got another freaking statue of the sea otters. It's a special one that you only get through
Nice.
gifts.
Yeah! And now I can put this up.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
That's what it is all about.
Yeah,
guys.
this is
That's-
awesome.
This community is
All
awesome.
about community.
A bedroom. Oh, I love this. I have a snowflake thing to hang up on the
I'm
ceiling.
Kind of jealous
Now
that
I'm missing
you are
two.
enjoying
How
all
you
of this
missing
house,
this?
and I have not seen it yet. So I'm coming because now
Yeah, you better
I'm
get over to
upset.
Crib.
I'm upset now that I have not seen this house that Mystic is like fawning over. So now I have to come. Wait a minute.
I love windows. I love the big
I'm here.
windows.
Come here, you little shit. Come here. I do not have. No! He's juking me. He's juking me. No!
Bruh, Mystic, I was just telling Juan how I was
Bruh.
being chased by a 10-year-old.
I heard
He
you.
was. Oh! Bro, like the little boy was chasing me. I was like, no, I could be your mama for real. Stop. But that would mean I would have to have him at like 19, and that would be
I'm trying. I'm trying to get at Kayaka, the freaking grasshopper.
Yeah, he was outside the window over here. Like all of a sudden, like I was showing my friend Cup, I was like, yeah, my eggs. I was opening all the eggs, and I was like, what is this music? Why can't I keep hearing a guitar? I was thinking it was like, I don't know, Heartopia changing the music, and I look, and that little boy was just outside.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! I wish I was streaming at that moment, bro. I was like, that would be perfect snip.
Oh, that's funny.
And then he started chasing me, and I was like, okay, I gotta go. And then I came over here. And
Mount. Mouty.
He's like, he can't. She's like, he can't come here.
Can't come here. No.
Yes,
No.
yes, CJ, there is definitely
And then
room
he
on the
has the
server.
upstairs.
The
Oh.
password's bunny.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this grasshopper to respawn.
Yeah, I gave
because-
I gave my server the code if Ivy or Tati wants to join.
Sweet.
Or if she wants to join.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
This-
Yeah.
Oh, you did that, didn't you? That's so
yes,
cool.
I did.
Shiesty
Yes, I was
bitch.
raised on my Chamorro side. Got a Guam
Nice.
accent.
I'm parking in your garage.
Nice.
I need to make a Puerto
Oh,
Rican
oh, I hear her. I hear her.
Oh, oh.
You what?
Making the axe out.
I need
Knock,
to make a
knock.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh no, she has the axe.
Oh, shoot. I'm calling the police.
Ah. Fuck these fish.
She is.
Ah, don't call the police. I hear the
Oh,
Where are you?
that's not you breaking the
Oh, they are.
phone.
Ouch.
Mine's a broom.
It's my
Oh,
house
Audrey's
now.
getting
Bye.
on.
Oh, shoot. Damn.
I'll
You,
call
I
the
can't
police
even do
on
no
you.
damage with this. Look, this thing
Police?
is just gonna make noise.
Oh, look at it! Look at it! Look at mine! Look at mine!
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
I'm gonna dust you. I'm
Wow.
gonna sweep you to death.
No,
Just
don't
like a
sweep
white
me.
woman to steal my home.
It's mine. Oh my god.
Bro, I was like, what? How am I? Oh, and you got a. I didn't really got a freaking broom. How does that even
Yeah.
work?
Watch, I'll show you. It's really cute.
Yeah,
Let me find a tree.
Found a penguin butt.
Oh yeah, I love that penguin butt rug. It's like my favorite rug. Oh my gosh! Now, hold on.
Isn't that cool?
This
That
back
is
combo is
cool. Hold on.
adorable. Wait a minute, I gotta see this. I have not seen the broom in action. I'm coming.
Hold on.
Don't sweep too much.
Okay, I'm going to the next
Aw,
tree.
Cute. Dang, I got them powers. What? Wait.
Yeah, see? Let's
Wait,
go.
how did you make it?
Hold on.
How did you make it? How
Keep
did you
pressing F over and over. Keep pressing
here
it.
we
There
go.
you go.
Yeah.
What? What in the world?
Beating that rock.
CJ! Hi, CJ.
Hello.
Wait, are we
CJ.
even friends?
I'm Mo. No, we're,
We're not. Let's be friends.
Just met today.
Whee! Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, do you need to resonate, CJ, at all? Like, we got you.
No, she's got it.
Okay, good.
She asked me
Oh,
if I
I got-
needed it when she came to visit me.
I got
I'll put my
I got
axe
all
away.
I got all the crystals.
I'm like
Let's
loving
go.
these Doc Martens, so I got these stompers
No.
on. Look at these.
I have those
No,
too.
for
I saw those and
real.
I had to get them. I had to get them. I
Got
also
them.
have let's see, where is it?
Oh,
These
that's
boots,
cute.
too.
Oh,
we changed it.
so
We changed
cute.
it
That's the
legit.
tea
Hold on.
set ones, right? The little tea,
Is that what it's called?
something tea something.
That's not what I wanted.
Secret recipe, tea savory, tasting relish.
Secret recipes, taste relish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
I could.
All I got is the boots.
I kind
Yeah,
of want to
got
pull
the
on the
stompers
purple
on
one. I didn't get any.
I've got a couple things from each one, but I want the top
Same.
one more.
It gets more expensive,
Yeah, I kinda want the-
though.
No, literally.
I didn't want the
Be rotted in my
freaking
pockets for real.
buns. I've got buns, literally. Give me the goods. I got the boots. I got the freaking
Let's
boots.
go. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
I got the boots. I'm changing. We're getting the boots on right now. It matches because we got the light blue going on in the outfit.
Oh yeah, it does. It does.
Oh
match. I like
yeah.
Yeah, I made an outfit for this for these ones.
Nice.
My hair's different though. It wasn't supposed to be this hair. I wish that it would, when you save it, it would save the hairstyle as well,
It makes.
but it doesn't.
It would make sense because it's a saved preset.
Yeah,
Like-
yeah.
I wanted it to look like that. Like
That was for a reason.
Saved
Now I have to
it.
go in the mirror and change
Yeah,
my
let me show you
hair.
Let me show you my rainbow dash. You like them
Aww,
kicks?
that's cute. I like the hat.
Yeah,
too.
I didn't like a lot of the like what they put the outfits together, so I was like,
Mhm.
let me make my own. 'cause-
That is cute.
Oh, I have that jacket too because I made it. It's a
I love it.
perfect, It's a perfect spike
Hi,
outfit.
Hi.
I love it.
Yeah, see, look, this is my spike because they forgot our boy.
Aww.
Yeah, they did.
Mm.
Sparkles, we're in BC if you want to chat.
With the circle.
Yeah,
Uh,
Sparkles
not
is
friends.
here.
We must be friends.
I'm gonna back away
Friends,
so y'all can
to
actually.
the very end.
Be my friend.
I like how there's yellow eyebrows, ma'am.
Oh,
Now.
that was
Ah,
very
look at this team. We're gonna do
See, I told
great.
you I called the police on you.
Bum, bum.
I was like, can I take it without it ratting me out? It didn't rat me out.
It always rats you out. Every single time.
Oh,
you
yeah,
pop
okay.
in. Like bum bum.
Circle.
I'm doing it. Hold on.
Yeah, let's go.
This is my other one I made. It's my Guam fit.
The Guam fit.
Mhm.
That's cute.
I like it. I like the details. It's so cool.
Thank you, thank you. I made one in Animal
Whoa.
Crossing, so I had to make one in here.
Nice.
I just have to make a Puerto Rican one, but I wasn't raised on that side, so I'm not that Boricua, okay?
It's okay.
But let me give you that house tour. The house tour. Holiday Inn.
Look at all the cars. I'm gonna go park my car in there.
Yeah. Yeah, get that off my lawn. I paid to get my grass
Wait,
cut.
let me scoot mine over. There's
You
room.
did a good job.
So you can just get it
I
over.
parked a
and we
little-
can-
Try not to scratch your shit up, but I might. I'm sorry.
No, she just ran me over.
It's okay. I just hope you have insurance.
Here, let me get out. You
This-
fix it.
We are
and-
insured by magic. That's all we got here.
Oh, okay.
I'm
I
gonna
got you, I
parallel
got
park.
you. There was a sign on here, but since I redid
Ugh.
it disappeared.
Oh no.
Dude, I saw somebody's house. They had it set up with 3 little shops. One was a bookstore, one was a flower shop, and one was a cafe.
Aw,
Oh.
that's cute.
It looks so
wanna-
cool.
I want to make a little bodega in the backyard.
That would be cute. I think I might do something. I wanted to do like a library or like bookstore or something in the back, but I gotta unlock the last 2 plots, and that shit is so freaking expensive, like ungodly expensive.
Yeah.
Like why?
Yep.
Because why make it easy when you can make it hard?
Right?
I'm on here. I am sweating. I am in my own sweatshop, sweating to make gold. Like this is ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It was
I'm
a
like,
pain.
I'm tired of it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, this
Oh,
is
and then
fun.
I have a furniture set that's done,
Oh, nice.
the winter one, and I want to get my last 30 stars, and I click on it, and it
Oh.
won't give them to me.
Yeah. it's
Yes,
glitched
I'm
for
having that
everybody.
same issue.
It's because there's
sucks.
21 items, but it says 22, so it won't complete because we have 21 items in the set. But for some reason it says 22 items.
That is
Tragic
lame.
day.
They need to fix it.
Tragic.
I need to work on my house
Yeah.
so bad.
I just finished this one today. I had to redo it because I was getting too much stuff. Not gonna fit.
I like the open.
I
like
need
it.
more stuff.
But yeah, this is the outside for the barbecue. Chilling
having a
moment.
I could definitely eat.
Uh,
I
got my
love it.
pineapples growing. Oh, thank you, thank you.
Lon, I caught Demon Cat staring at the fish again.
Oh no! Did he jump into with the fish?
Not this time.
Not the demon kitty.
No, literally the cat in game. My cat in game is called Demon Cat.
It's okay. My in-game cat's called Gangster Kitty, like my real life cat. Because he goes outside and he got his ear cut because he wanted to fight in the streets.
Oh no!
Hmm
He just was putting respect on that name. That's all it was.
No, for real.
I have.
He
two
said you
cats.
didn't
I
pay
have-
for that catnip.
I have Khaleesi and Storm. Khaleesi's an old woman now.
Oh.
Oh, I have 2. I have Apollo, who's the orange fat kitty, and then I have Odie, who's the gangsta kitty. He's the
Where did you
tagline.
get the grocery bag?
I know.
I want
that's
that.
Cute.
I think it was at Bob's, and I just bought it.
Bobby like fucking shafting me, man.
Yeah, me too. Except for the chandelier today, I had to say that was good, but
Oh, I need to go check Bob's. I haven't checked Bob's today.
Over here's the showroom.
Ooh.
Got my aquarium. I worked hard for them fish.
I'll show you something in this room.
Oh.
what?
Hey, yo.
Oh!
Oh, yo.
Wait. I feel like the shower is a better option. I don't think
Hold
there's
on,
a shower
let me-
in here. Dang.
No, it's upstairs. I don't have a toilet in here. I don't know why. I was getting like the bathroom furniture and then it stopped. I'm like,
I have a black toilet and a pink toilet.
Nice.
at least you got a toilet. I only have one.
I'm only using one. I only have one bathroom.
Well, that works.
Yeah, this is the guest room.
Very cute. Very cute.
And that's the lean right there. You get a
Nice.
complimentary lean.
Nice. Nice.
You got the badges. See, I only have missing 2 now.
Nice. Oh, I like how they change when you like shift your view.
Mhm.
Like if you go to side to
Yeah, it's
side.
really cool.
They-
like they're real buttons.
Yeah.
for
See?
real.
Okay, listen. DDLV could never. Listen. Could never.
Listen.
Listen.
Ah.
I'll be playing
My-
that tomorrow though.
My
Like
kids
your
play
hair,
that.
CJ.
Yeah, and the little
And then-
ram buns are cute.
And then we got the upstairs.
I think she's upstairs.
Yeah, I'm upstairs. Sorry.
Oh, that's so
Yes.
cute.
And then it's the attic. You can't get into. But yeah, this is.
I didn't even think about that.
Wait,
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get up there.
Go harder.
I'm trying. Go yell at me.
Yeah. You don't have the magic power to go up there.
Dang it. Okay.
This corner over here is gonna eventually be like, this is gonna be a library because there's some like book stuff.
There's even not
I'll
even
just
a
make this
hole.
corner.
Oh my god. There's not even a hole. I've been
There's
lied
not a hole.
to. I've been lied to. I was like, seriously, like, is there a
Joke's
hole?
on you.
And I was like, wait a
Joke's
minute.
on you. It's just the ceiling painted black.
Damn it.
Oh my god, I forgot to add a fish in here.
She's like, I'm going to sleep. Night night.
Night.
Buenas noches. Hold on, let me turn off the light for you.
Just make sure you don't take pictures of my fatties, okay?
There you go. Buenas noches. Mwah, mwah. Good night, girls.
Good night. Okay, I'm up.
Yeah. It's slowly getting there. And I love this butthole rug.
The butthole rug is pretty cute. Wait, there's like another door. Ah,
I need to make
Like, here's the
it. I
jar.
haven't crafted it.
it's pretty cute.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
That's the only thing I like about the penguin thing.
Oh snap. Ma'am.
Let me take
I was
pictures.
trying to peek. It would not let me. I am
Oh,
sad.
you're trying to get in there, like here.
Not me in IRL, like leaning in, like
I said see you.
frosted glass. Be damn. All right.
Is it not working?
Shower work, yeah.
Oh, I thought you were trying to get in it. I was trying to take pictures.
Oh no, I was in it, and
Sell
then I
it to the
fucked up.
gooners. I'm gonna sell it to
Hi,
the gooners.
kitty. Welcome in, dear. We're playing with a group of friends.
Kitty.
Yeah, Mystics in
And
chat.
that dog is
Sparkles.
Yaya's.
We got Momo here, and we got Katie.
Hello.
She's not in DC, but she's here in spirit. Here he is. Yeah, CJ.
Nice to meet y'all. Nice to
Ah,
meet
look
y'all.
at this team. We're gonna do great.
I'm gonna whisper in your ear.
Tati's watching screen too.
Hi, Coffee. Hey, Lon, what weighs more, a pound of feathers or a pound of gold? That's pretty sure a pound of gold weight. Well, no, they're the same thing. They're both a
I was
pound.
about to say they're the same.
Oh, I want that.
My brain was just like, you gonna slide into my DMs, ma'am? You can slide in my DMs any day.
I have dip. Waddle waddle to the very next day.
You got any glue?
What did you? Got any?
Oh, snap.
Got any grapes?
Got any grapes?
Yeah, great. Oh my
Hi,
goodness, that
Ashley.
goofy dance.
Ashley, if you want
Where
to
did you
join us,
get all
we're in a
these
private
dances?
server. You just gotta put the password in bunny, all lowercase. Love you
My
too.
friend
DJ,
Trent
how?
got the dancing magical girl one.
There's a magical girl dance.
If you spend like, let me see how much you gotta spend.
Oh, it's
Yeah, I'm
oh.
getting close. Yeah, I'm getting close.
These are her confessions. I don't know. I can draw off of the Forest Bell spell, or I can draw more on the character outfit. I don't know what I want to do. What should I draw on?
I wanted that hair and the fucking outfit so bad,
Mm-hmm.
but it just kept giving. I got a broom. I wanted the wings too. I got everything else.
Haas, my brain. Listen, Haas, I'm working with 2 brain cells. I cannot.
You sure just two? You sure two?
It's 2 and they fight each
Dang,
other.
he got into detail.
He did. I bought the pink hair with tickets. Oh gosh. Let me look at the recolor.
You don't. I love the broom. The way that it works when you're using it is so cute.
It's
It is. It's like it's so magic.
It doesn't feel like mining. It feels just like sweeping up. That's pretty. Sounds about right.
In Palia, I have a broom for the hoe, so when I'm doing my garden, it looks like I'm sweeping it instead.
Feels so
Nice.
That's too funny. That is cute. This is adorable. I don't know if I should pull for it though. I mean, even if I get a duplicate, I will just get the tickets to go towards other items. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I will pull it and hopefully I get something good. I've been pulling on the house
Good
stuff
luck.
and it keeps giving me dupes.
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh, trust me, I
hate
know.
that.
Yeah.
I'm getting tired of the dupes. I'm about to go over there and fight them. I'm gonna fight for it.
Good luck. Oh. Anytime it lands on the purple. Anytime it lands on the purple.
I'm gonna go cook you guys something.
Have you held it? The egg flips.
Yeah, I've seen it before. Hold on.
I think it was me. I showed you when I was streaming the other day when it was over.
I don't
And I was
get
like,
what the
you
phone
guys want
does.
some eggs?
the
The phone.
the tablet.
Mm-hmm.
The tablet helps you move stuff around without having to be in build mode. You just can't like.
Oh no. The phone. There's a phone. Like there's a phone thing you can hold,
Mmm.
and I'm like, what is this? What is the purpose?
Can pop a rainbow
Let me
flowers.
see.
I don't
Let
want
me see.
you have to pop it.
Right here.
Oh!
Aww.
The phone. I'm like, what is
Cute.
that? What?
You just want to
Do
ring.
you just
my
carry it
phone.
around?
ring.
This is how
ring
old I
from
am.
the
This is my phone
telephone.
right here.
Wait, how do I flip an egg?
It just does it itself. Just stand there for a minute.
I'm gonna cook you something.
You're cooking me.
I mean, you are pretty hot, so.
Oh!
It rings. I put a staff and it rings. Oh,
You can hear somebody talking to you. That's cute. Oh my god,
that's so funny.
that is adorable.
Well, Grammy, I'm so glad you woke up breathing.
That's my cell phone. Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
You want me to dust the house?
Oh yes. Oh yes, I have a duster too. We're all gonna go dust.
Yeah, my house is dusty.
Hi, Sergeant. Welcome in. All right.
So cute.
I really
La, la,
need
la,
like
la.
my remote to work for this game. So bad.
Oh, your controller. Mm.
Yeah, because I want to grab port. That's just generally
What's the
what I
dumplings do?
use.
Wait, how did you do that?
Oh, the dumplings
What?
don't do anything.
No, the dumplings don't do anything. I had the pink and the purple.
Yeah, they just sit there.
Mhm.
Let me see. What else do I got? Oh, I got a pen.
Oh yeah.
Why
the,
am I?
Oh, that's a paintbrush.
Yeah.
Why am I gripping it like that?
Yeah, a lot of people have
I don't
complaints
know,
about it like that.
Yeah, like what is this?
I-
I don't paint like this. I'm not 5.
Got penguin.
No, I'm like, what the heck? They could at least let me hold it elegantly.
Right? Like I'm painting.
Oh, I got
Penguin
this-
balloon.
yeah, This light.
Oh,
I got
yeah,
that
the
too.
lantern.
Yeah.
Cute.
I have the lantern. I have a pinwheel. The coffee.
Of the bell.
The umbrella.
The pinwheel. Oh, the pin.
Oh yeah, the
okay.
pinwheel.
I was like confused on what that was for a second. Let me see. Let's
I got this purse. Cause I'd be bougie like that. There we go.
Look at you. Oh my god.
It does
nothing.
You know, I got this flower like purse thing on me and I did a quest or did something. I don't know how I got it. I don't even remember.
Yeah, I did something too. I think you reached like a certain gardening level. Maybe that's what it is.
Oh, maybe.
Because I just got mine recently.
That's not what I,
I like-
wanted.
I like my coffee though. I think out of anything, I like.
I
this
know.
coffee.
That is my favorite one, is the coffee.
I I like that one because it looked like you got boba.
Here we go.
Oh, it does. Yours is different. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, CG, you got it too. I love it. It's so cute. That's
just
crazy.
like
I didn't know there were different ones.
Mm-hmm. There's different ones.
Oh, because it was a
I
three
think I
different
just got
colors
a
draw,
plain
right?
old. I got a plain old black coffee.
Nice.
Yeah, I like it
Gotta
black.
sit up. I don't know why I'm slouching so much. Damn. All right.
Why does the squad animation look like they're taking a poop?
What?
What?
I'm looking at the store, the friendship store. I'm looking at the squad animation. I'm like, why did I buy this?
Oh, it really doesn't look like that. It is kind of deceiving because Sir got it and he was like, "This is not." It looks like you're
Hey, look, your
kneeling
neighbor's
like you're
house.
proposing.
Ooh, I need to
in
get
the
wheat.
picture. In the picture, it looks like it's taking a crap.
Oh, this is not my car. I was like, my car? Nope, not my
You
car.
just get somebody else's car.
No.
Wait, he's talking about.
No, definitely didn't get anybody else's car.
Now y'all rob
I'm
me.
gonna
Do I
go make
just
some
buy my
fertilizer.
car? Do I just buy my car at this point?
Ma'am, yeah, at this point, yeah, you're probably gonna have to. Why can't I pet you? Let me pet you, child.
Oh.
I mean,
I don't know why my cats break sometimes.
I think that
It's annoying.
Oh shit. Annie's always broken.
Oh, you're
Yeah,
next
this
door.
one's always broken. Yeah.
Where'd everyone go?
You gotta go do some fertilizer. Oh wait, I gotta park this. Move, dog! You're gonna about to get ran over.
That's my Applejack food. You like that?
Rosie, move your. No, don't walk into the car. That's not what you were supposed to do.
But you got the. I love the top.
Well, I just thought I was gonna play this.
I like the pants too, but I was like, you know what? The skirt kind of go hard.
Yeah, I like the skirt with it. It's cute. I have those boots. Out of the
Oh,
whole
yeah,
thing, I have the
boots
boots,
too.
and then I have a black skirt, not a brown.
I was
one.
like, why'd you give her a pair of moccasins? You need some cowgirl boots.
Well,
right?
Oh my goodness.
Audrey, this game is very
Oh,
addicting. Are you playing some DDLV though? Those numbers.
He got on Heartopia.
I saw that.
Did it not work, Audrey?
Thank you so much, Fritos and
furniture in
Basketball, for
here.
the eye to eye. I appreciate you. I had to do the repair thing, and now I'm waiting 6 years for it to download stuff. No,
Oh God.
no. Okay. Fertilizer, fertilizer, fertilizer. Do I have some in my storage?
I don't think I want that there. I'll move it.
Oh, thank you for watering my crops, CJ. Why you gotta zoom? Why you gotta zoom? Listen, stop.
Oh.
I'm gonna make it awkward here. Oh, it's zooming in on Stitch. Nice. How you doing?
Run this bitch over.
I don't.
Get out of my way.
Big old
Well, that's
penguin
still not
copy.
right.
You knew it was coming. You know what? I did know it was coming. There is not a stream without a mustache or a zoom or a sticker on my face. I don't know what it's about Thursday, but I seem to have all the computer issues on that day. I think it's because you haven't yelled at Slev enough. I think that's what it is. I think you need to go back in there, yell at him, and then I feel like everything will start working again.
That might work.
It truly might. Speaking of what is that man up to? I'm gonna go creep on him real quick.
Aw, snap. I have him up.
It's a cute dog park looking snap. I love it with the pet store. Oh, that's cute.
You want to see the funny one that I sent him?
Oh yes.
What did you send him?
Hi, Miranda.
Here, I'll put it in the snap.
Miranda's like, that's exactly what it is. Actually, go yell at him, Miranda.
I can't believe he wanted me to
Yell at him.
submit
Yell at
the
him.
Everybody go
snap
yell at him.
there.
Well, I'll
Are we
just
doing it, Steph? Is that what we're doing?
I'll just
Yeah.
DM it to you because I'm probably changing it.
What are we yelling at
I
him?
know we've messaged before, right? We've messaged before.
Maybe.
I thought.
If not, add me on Discord and you can just send it to me.
Oh no, I was wait, what?
I was like, I've come to yell at you,
Yeah,
and
there you
Audrey's
are.
like yelling at Slip because Lon sent it.
I love it. Alright, I DM'd it to you.
You guys, if you don't,
Okay.
Tell me what's going on in that picture. You just let me know.
if you guys aren't aware, we're
I mean,
yelling
I
at
know.
Bot Boss. He's the stream team lead, and we're all yelling at him.
Oh, yeah, I should go do it too.
So we're gonna yell at him, but he's super
Let me
awesome.
not yell at him before he kicks me.
Look at this team.
He's like, who
Hi,
are you?
Tracy. We're yelling at Slev. We were like, you know what? We're gonna go yell at Slev because Audrey's game's not working, so it's Slev's fault.
Hi, Tracy.
He's being a terrible tech
Yeah.
support.
We were yelling at him.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just doing what I'm told.
I hope y'all don't hear my husband.
No, we don't hear anything in the
Going-
background.
I don't hear anything.
He is,
No, I
he's
was
playing
listening.
Tekken and he's going crazy.
My 6-year-old's actually laying here on her tablet being quiet.
Oh,
Oh, you got a
waiting for her to look at-
6-year-old? I have a
I have a-
6-year-old.
I have a 20-year-old, a 16-year-old, and a 6-year-old.
A 20-year-old. God dang.
And my 20-year-old will be 21 in June, but she is pregnant right now with my first grandchild.
oh,
I'm a young grandma.
Young grandma.
too cute.
I
I
have
love it.
a
I'm so
4
excited.
I have a 4-year-old and a 6-year-old.
Oh,
Nice.
actually have
And
more
they're
fertilizer.
in bed.
Oh, they actually.
Mhm.
You were yelling at us. They're like, get your butt back.
I'm like, go to bed. Me all the time. That's gonna be my merch.
Go to bed.
Just
and
go
then
to
me
bed.
and then me yelling
You
Jason's
should
name.
probably go
Jason!
to bed.
My house is always so chaotic.
Okay, so I gotta figure out how they do the pillars, what I did wrong here.
I think I don't need a. I could go get more monies right now. Or I could draw right now.
Let's see. I need to fix something. I just realized I have it on one scene, but I don't have it on this one. So I need to fix the scene real quick.
My OBS broke the other day, and I was like, what the fuck is going
Oh
on?
no! Yeah, they've been pushing a lot of updates recently, and it's kind of annoying me.
I have been stalling on doing it.
Oh, it got mad at me.
I wait like 3 or 4 updates, and then I updated it, and then like my camera wasn't there. I'm like, where the fuck did my camera?
Just realized this. I was like, wait, I have it up on my bunny scene, but I don't have it here. There we go. Okay, that works perfect. Beautiful. I like the fact that I had like, because there was one day where I had to use my VTuber because I just wasn't feeling good, and I had the bunny sitting
Yeah.
on the show thing, and it was absolutely hilarious. I was like, instead of a
It was
chair,
cute, I loved
sitting
it.
on it.
I loved it. It was great.
Oh, snap. Kitty just rolling into my DMs. Hi, Kitty.
I'm making mine, and I'm making mine so complicated, and I'm like, why do I do this to myself every freaking time?
Aww. Mystic, I love your dream snap. That's so
Oh,
cute.
do you not notice? Do you not notice the fox biting the goose's butt?
Oh my god, I didn't. I was more zoned in on Pluto's weird ass man hands on your
Yeah.
hips. I was like,
Yeah.
Pluto, why?
Yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna keep that one. I just think it's hilarious. It was like, you need to save it. I was like, okay.
Can I? Am I like illiterate? Why can't I use the fertilizer?
You don't have anything planted.
Really? I have to have something planted?
Yeah, you have to plant first.
This is BS.
Every other game, you could like fertilize first.
Like, why can't I just do it out of order? Like, why? Why is this order so important to you?
Why are you Why are you telling us what to do, game? Why are you telling us what to do?
I'm gonna fertilize these tomatoes. These are gonna be the best tomatoes you've ever freaking had.
Can't eat
Speaking
them.
of real life planting,
There we go.
I need to plant. I need to start doing my little garden. Real life. This is about to be spring.
Damn it.
I'm gonna plant more tomatoes on this side because I think we'll be on long enough for at least a couple of growths. I need this back plot areas to unlock. I want to make it to where the house kind of grows over the garden. So like the build that I have in the back is really temporary. I want to like the house and the garden to be like part of each other.
I want to build a greenhouse,
No,
but I need to unlock that plot first.
Are these watered? Well, they're now double watered. Yeah. Okay. Let's see, what else do I need to do? I'm trying to like get stuff done. I might go ice skating here and try to knock out some of my hobbies or my dreams. Mermaid perfume. Let's go just throw that around and see what happens.
What you got for me, Bob? Bob, do something.
Bob the Builder. You know, I need to go find that.
Fix it.
Yeah.
Yes, he can.
I didn't mean to. Oh, well, I guess I'm fucking doing this. I accidentally threw a mermaid tail in and I'm now going to be fishing. A lot.
You're
Well.
pregnant. Well, this sounds better.
Well, I've got fishes I'd never gotten before, so that works. I guess that did something for me.
Hey,
Hi, Jay. Welcome in, dear.
Wendy.
No, Bob. Or maybe, I don't know if it's Bob, but I blame Bob. He's always calling me. Ah! I totally went the wrong way. Oh, it's okay though.
Ah, look at this team. We're gonna do great.
I need the bluefish. Welcome in,
One
team
fish,
member.
2 fish, blue fish. One fish, 2 fish, blue fish.
So, excuse me, why is there an edible frog?
Excuse
What?
me?
Why is the frog have edible?
Oh yeah,
and
there is an edible frog.
What?
Like a raw
You
frog?
know
Why?
why? You know why? You know why? Yeah,
Like a
edible.
raw frog?
I
Like a
love
Yeah, just
frogs.
just lick it, see what happens.
Ew. No.
And just give it a little lick.
No.
It'll turn your world upside down. I'll never kiss a frog.
Okay, Tiana.
It's a frog. We were just watching that like a couple days ago.
Too cute. Oh my gosh, I actually have to fish for this one. It's all been auto catch until that one
You
last
have
one.
you have to actually work for it.
Damn it.
Gabe said, you don't get to just sit there now.
I'm ice princess in this bitch.
Alright, I know where Vanya's at. Let's go. Whee! Oh god, my game's glitchy and I just went off the rails. Here we go. Vanya, I'm coming. That's husbando number 2, guys. Okay. Husbando.
Vanya's husbando number 1.
Vanya's your husbando number 1.
Yeah, he's not my number 1. Then Will's number 2. He got that silver fox going on.
I respect it. I respect it.
Blanca's just too. He's too mainstream for me.
It's too. I thought that would be the one that you would go for since you like furries.
I hate it here. not this group, not this group too.
Oh god.
It's a long story, chat. It's a long story.
Too funny.
I think it's close, it's fine.
Pick her up. Bye. Put stickers on my face.
I need a man that knows what he wants. Blanc too
Listen. Blanc is like he's shy in public, but he a freak in the sheets. Got it? Like, listen.
Oh, that is crazy. Let me show you.
He a closet freak. Listen, he a closet freak. Look at him smile. He is smitten. Mira. He's taller too. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Furries run the internet. They do. They truly do.
They really do. Especially in VR chat. They're unhinged.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah, there was a what? Hold on. What?
Is it really just the console?
Alright, my
that I
kids just
do?
came in here.
Good.
Now, this is a furry VTuber, and he was saying out of pocket shit, and I was like, "Stop! You're gonna make me blush." And then all of a sudden, I'm a furry. Yeah. I'm like, well, I guess that solidifies it.
That was my first introduction to Momo. Like literally.
Yeah, literally.
We found each other on Heartopia. We added
really
each
did.
other, and then she's like, "You got a Discord?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then like she added me to her Discord, and I popped in the voice chat, and it's like immediately they're just like, "Yeah, she likes furries."
Roasting me. Yeah, they're
Like,
just roasting me.
aw.
I was like, wow, you're gonna scare Lon away. My server is unhinged.
I love it.
That sounds like, oh my
I think about
gosh.
this every day.
When I
think
start
about this all
streaming,
night long.
I
I
can't.
stay awake,
I can't
not
bring 'em in.
sleeping,
I'm gonna
because
get
I'm thinking
canceled.
about this.
Thank you. Thank you for the favorite thing. Why are you showing my bush on stream? Listen here.
Hey, yo,
Put
what?
the bush away. Stop touching the bush, kitty. Hurry, gross. Or is
Kitty.
it? Touching my bush, damn it. Comes with angelic music and everything.
I think the pet lady is a lion.
A lion?
She kind of reminds me of a lion.
Oh.
'Cause she has little ears.
If you're into lizards, then you are a scaly. Oh, is that what it is instead of a furry or a scaly?
Not the scaly.
Hey! On you
listen.
crispy. Oh, hi, David.
Hi, David.
I'm gonna go.
Long time no talk.
I'm gonna ice skate up in this bitch.
Oh, sorry, I
You
just
about
cut
to
your
Iron
ankles. My
Lotus
bad.
me.
Yeah, I literally just cut your ankles. My bad.
She's like,
sliced
I'm
them.
gonna cut you off at the knees.
Have you ever seen a cowgirl skate? Well, you gonna see it today.
You gonna see it tonight.
Show you
Y'all
how you
come
yeet
back
to the
now, you
hall.
I'm in Arizona. I don't have a lot of my family has that.
I'm in Georgia.
I'm in Arizona.
I'm the real Southern Belle down here.
Flashing y'all.
I have to listen to what? Oh, hold on. I have to hear something, I guess. Is it cat?
Is it hiding the difficulties? Oh my god, it's hiding the difficulties on me again. Already? Yes. Oh,
Okay.
I have a ton of people in VC, David. I have a ton. I have.
It's Mystic.
Yes, we have Mystic. We got Momo. We got Sparkles.
I said it. Mystic said it. It was me, David.
My brain hurts. I'm missing out. I'm trying to make sure. I think we got everybody. Yep. Mystic. Yep. Okay, cool. I was like, I don't want to miss anybody. Don't beat me.
Hey, I'm trying to do something with my fish tank, but it don't look right. I don't like it, but I'll mess with it another time.
It's really fucking with me not having these like indicators now. I'm trying to
I have
remember.
another new hunt? Oh
Watch
no.
Heartopia be lazy and not get rid of the ice rink and make it into a roller skating rink.
Oh, that'd be cool. I think for like, I was watching some video hints about what is to potentially come. And there's, for the summertime, we're probably going to get sand sculpting instead of snow sculpting.
Not the sand.
Interesting.
Mhm.
I'll definitely probably do the sand sculpting.
Because you definitely have a beach theme, so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rock one day.
Oh, I'm gonna read chat in a moment. I am struggling to pass this one. I failed this last night, and I was actually like flabbergasted that I failed my skate challenge.
Oh shoot! You just cut my throat.
I Iron Lotus the shit out of you.
You really did. I'm bleeding out now.
There's blood on the ice floor.
No.
Oh, I got finger guns. Finger gun move. Choo choo. There we go. No, pew pew. I don't know why I said choo choo. Oh, I got 8 seconds left. I ain't pulling this off. We're gonna do the big move. Whee! I'm not pulling this one off. There's no way. It's like 900 points max for a perfect move. That's probably.
I love that move.
I
Where
haven't
she
been
like
doing it. I need to
twirls,
do it.
kicks, and then flips, kind of.
What?
Like she does this weird like twirl kick.
Couldn't. I couldn't get the voice down. You got okay. Wait. Oh, I'm missing a chat. That's why I asked. Wait, who said my name and said long time no see? Oh, it was Mystic. Lon, I'm not okay.
It's me, a Mystic.
Miranda typed Lon in Google and it did instead of Twitch on accident, and it popped up as a can. Why does Google bring up a can?
I don't know. That's weird.
Anna has that theme too. Oh, wait, never. The beach theme. At this rate, spam both buttons. That's what I've been doing. Ah, okay. I'll do that.
Yeah, I spam them. That's what I do as well.
Oh, damn. I'm gonna wear my overall and boots. Ah. Well, listen, Haas, you just letting her know what she's gonna get into.
Haas, you should join us.
You can tell her that you're dirty in the barn and in the sheets.
Oh, hey yo.
Listen, you can make it
Dang.
work. You can make it
Not
work.
dirty in the barn.
Be like, I'm lifting these hay bales and you.
Oh shoot. Got them farmer's hands.
Like, listen. I can do it. I can drop these flirtatious lines.
Are you reading a manual for Haas? Is that what's
Bro,
going on?
did y'all get the dance, the skate move where like you bend down and it shows your crotch?
Yes.
I'm like, what is this
Yes,
skate move?
yes.
What is this?
Yeah, this one.
This one, I think I'm about to do
Yeah,
it.
that one. That one.
Like what you see?
Yeah, like that's how you win over the judges.
Look at my chonies.
Not the chonies.
Chonies.
I don't think I'm
Haas
in the
about
right
to wear
outfit for what I'm
ovaries
skating.
and boots. Oh my gosh.
I saw that in like I rewatched the ad for Heartopia, and there's like a hula dancing dance emote, and I'm like, I need it.
Yes. Oh, excuse me. Miranda's here. We're all ice skating, running into each other and Iron Lotusing each other. Oops, somebody entered the Matrix. Woo! I love this dream. I seriously love this one. Unless he's on top, they're underees. Wow, not ovaries, they're underees. That's crazy. I'm gonna do a flip. No, that's not a flip. What the heck? That is not a flip, ma'am. Hello. I feel like this camera bag would have smacked me in the face at least once or twice by now. Alright, if this doesn't work, I'm spamming these buttons like nobody's business. But I feel like I got enough time to get this. That was something else. Yeah. Whee! I got it down. Oh yeah. Listen, we gotta nail this. We gotta nail this shit real quick. Whee! Or I could tell her I can treat her like my pinky toe. Oh, sir. I did not need it. What do you mean I didn't need it? I'm gonna throw this challenge. I've had 6 attempts remaining.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi,
What
welcome
happened?
back. You entered the Matrix and then you left.
Oh. I was like, what is happening?
Haas, oh my god. That definitely got
I was like
flagged.
talking to myself.
Sparkles was like, I'm entering the Matrix now. I have chose the red pill.
Not the red pill.
Wait, what did I miss? What did I miss? Oh, yes, that's fine. That's fine. I don't care. He's not insulting anybody. He's just being a gooner.
Not the gooner. Don't take pictures of my panties.
Alright, we're spamming buttons. Fuck this shit.
Mhm.
Soon as it lets
Really?
me.
That's how you do it.
Yep.
Oh! In real life, I would have just fell right on
We
my
would have
ass.
fucked each other up real quick with that
No,
one.
literally.
That
I
would
went
have
race
hurt.
skating with my family last month, or I think it was in December, and I had to use like the freaking walker. This
Oh,
is
no.
not easy to ice skate. I am not an ice skater. I was like, oh my god.
I've never been. I used to rollerblade, but I've never been ice skating.
I used to like go to the roller rinks, and I used to be really good at it. Same with like pennyboarding. Now, bro, I'm just gonna fall on my ass. I can't do it anymore. It's not like riding a bike.
No.
Sparkle's over there with her face on the ice. I saw that, ma'am.
Literally.
We're spamming. We're spamming. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, guys.
You can do it!
You can do it. I don't know. I got this. I hope I do. 'Cause, woo! Oh, we got a new move. We gotta try this move out. I don't think I'm gonna make it, guys. 30 seconds left. I ain't got shit for this. We get to try a new move though. Whee!
Yeah, I need to do the ice skating challenge. So we do that. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3.
We got this. We do it 14 seconds. Fuck.
Yeah. Do the coochie slide. That gave me extra points.
I'm not gonna make it. I'm like 200 short. No.
No.
Oh, this is gonna be rough. The what slide? The coochie slide. That's what she said.
Yeah, the coochie slide.
I think I broke a couple, at least my dream goals of like getting certain scores. Even if I didn't pass it, I still technically met some of the scores. Nope, I did not. Ugh. Gave me a lot of points though. Look at Sparkle's face on the ground.
I just cut. I gave you a new haircut.
Poor baby ears. I don't want to hear that, Muffin. We all know you are not the baby. What the blue pill does. Call it. We all know what the blue pill does. Call a doctor if it lasts longer than 3 hours.
Oh.
My goodness. Isn't that what the gas station pills are for now? Don't be touching those pills. Those things are
And while
sketchy
we wait,
AF.
Dehydrate.
Right. Schedule 1. I'll be making them concoctions with them pills.
Jay, I'm
Them
scared.
people
Play that again.
love it.
Hold on. As soon as I'm
Yeah,
done
let
with
me
this
know.
challenge, Jay, I will sip my coffee. Although I need to go drink some water. Like the dehydrated little lady that I am.
They got shrooms in Schedule 1 now too.
My goodness.
Yeah.
I need to get back on it.
Difficulty increase. It's too soon, damn it. I haven't even hit
Oh, ice
2,000
cream.
yet. I'm gonna have to build a bigger ice rink. As soon as I unlock the island, there's gonna be a big ass ice rink in the backyard.
Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
I need to unlock my stuff and make one. I had one at the old house, but I don't have room now.
Can your friends visit your island?
Yeah. They just can't plant crops or flowers on your island.
Oh. I don't even think they could do that in your normal garden. Can they?
Well, I mean, you
don't think so.
at all can't plant anything. Like, you can't plant those at all. I'm now 600. Oh my gosh. Yeah, once you hit 6,900, I am struggling.
I'm
Yeah,
scared.
I'm at 4,000 right now.
I hate to do this, but I have to go because I gotta get my little one ready for bed, and if I don't lay down, she will not lay down.
Okay.
And she has school in the morning.
Yes.
But
yes.
that was fun.
Yeah, my
I'll have to
kids-
do it again.
Yes, for sure.
Listen.
I'll be back on
My
Saturday.
kids tricked me today. They said, my kids are like, I'm sick.
Oh
And everybody knows. I'm like, okay, we're gonna stay home. Then once they stayed home, it's really funny how they were very active when they're supposed to be sick.
100%. Magically, they're better now. That's why I tell them, like, nope,
No.
no TV, no tablet. Your butt's
We-
gonna be in bed
when
or
I
laying
was-
down.
Nope, literally.
We did that. You were doing chores then.
No, I
No one
told them, I
ever-
was like, oh,
no
you're
one ever
active? Clean your room.
None of us ever stayed home. Even when we were sick, we're like, yeah, we're not risking it.
No, literally. In the state
Hey,
of
guys,
Georgia,
thank you.
if your kid
Buenas
misses too much
noches.
school, you have to go to court. So I'm like, listen, girl, even if you're not dying, you're going to school.
Yeah.
Yeah, Georgia rough
Okay.
like that.
Yeah, they said
You guys-
everybody get an education.
Have a wonderful night. Have fun.
Night.
Good
Talk to you guys
night.
later. Bye.
Bye. Can I get a shout out for Mystic in the chat, guys? If somebody's available.
Shout out to Mystic.
I'm not gonna make it. No. No.
Hey, listen.
I got like a couple more tips. Zombie ignoring me, trying to keep chat tame. Hold on. I was skating. I can't look at chat. And I gotta drink
Listen,
this.
chat, you gotta calm down, chat. She busy. She working. She working it for you.
Oh my gosh, that's not even my favorite naughty pickup line, Kitty. The wet slides. Okay, cool. Mom be making me act thirsty. Wow, Muffin, calm down. Let's see. Thank you so much. I appreciate the shout out for Mystic Kitty. Oh my god.
Shout out to Mystic.
All right, we got.
We need to play together as a group more.
Yes.
I'm down.
I mean,
I'm
if
down to clown.
I'm not playing and I'm in DC, you guys are more than welcome to jump in.
I told my group to come in. I told Ivy and Toddy, and they're like, they didn't join.
It's all good. I will direct it to Muffin. Yeah, Muffin be saying some sus things.
Oh. Muffin's a little soggy.
Muffin is
I see.
spicy, very spicy Muffin.
Spicy muffin.
So I made myself a veggie tray. I've trained my dog to know like my little snack tray, and he's just following me around the house because he wants something from it.
Oh my gosh.
He's like, "What about me?" He goes, "You usually share whatever's in that with me normally, so I'm gonna follow you." I was getting hounded. I was like, "Go away!"
Well, now they know. They know it's
Oh yeah.
up for grabs.
Well, no, my blondie one.
Mm-hmm.
He was like, I want some.
I need these cues. I need these cues. I can't remember. I'm gonna rub my face against the ice. Do the
I'm a-
sparkles.
Okay. What the heck did I just do? How did I get back here? I can't get back. Oh no. Y'all, I think I'm stuck.
Oh no, you have to reset position.
I don't know how I did it.
No.
Ooh, new dance
What
move.
the F?
Wait, where's the reset button?
Ooh. It's in the settings and it says reset position.
Okay, I found it.
Whoa, I would be so fucking dizzy from this.
No, for real. I'm so happy I'm not doing this in like in real life.
I might do it.
I cannot handle spins.
I might make it. I might make it. Oh my god.
Hold on.
Crotch pokes, crotch pokes.
Yep, Croach Pop.
Yeah.
And what is it actually called?
I don't know, but I just know my crotch is for you.
It's like I can't even Google it.
I need
So,
it. So I
Cookie shot.
tried
How
to
do you-
spam it, Miranda, and it did not work out for me. It laughed at me and said, "Go fuck yourself."
Oh.
Live ice skating
Here's
win.
one of my little gremlins now. Hello, sucker.
Oh, I made my target score. Yeah.
It's okay, Muffin. I have actually flashed people at a party before on accident. I was doing the limbo
Oh.
and the dress did not cover.
It's okay. When I was at the beach, when the wave hit, it kind of flashed the audience by accident.
Okay, and for a show on accident, quotation marks. Muffin says.
Yeah.
My God.
I call that the bull cutter. Yeah.
One of the gremlin doggies came in.
Aw, gremlin doggies. I gotta hit
I don't even know what
7,000 points. Bro.
It's not the one that is begging for treats. This one's just here for my bed.
Ah.
Aww.
I've trained him to jump onto my desk chair to jump to my bed instead of buying
Aw.
dog stairs. It's like a little
Yes,
party
yes.
trick. Bye, thank you.
Yo. Yeah.
Can we get 7,000 points in 2 minutes and 54 seconds?
I believe.
I
Do
believe.
you guys watch Could Have Been Love?
Hmm?
Have y'all seen Could Have Been Love on
Uh-uh.
YouTube? By Drewski? Damn.
I would have to look it up now.
Yeah, it's so goofy. It's so raunchy. It's kind of like Baddies on a dating show.
Ah.
And Drewski loves studs. And it's so freaking funny watching these studs get all feminine for him. He's like, yeah, you know.
Oh no.
It's so fucking funny. But after this, I'm gonna watch that and draw. It's so funny because this one's like, if I was your girl, I'm gonna tell you that shit ugly. And talking about his grills in his mouth, and he's like, oh yeah, you're right.
Oh my God.
She was so aggressive. I was fucking crying.
So they're feminine. Yes. I have to reset my music. It stopped playing.
If you know, you know. For Drewski, you know.
Well, I'm doing the limbo to show peeps how good she is going at going down. Listen, I've showed my feet on this.
Oh no. Not for the free.
It was demanded. There's
Oh,
clips.
No, no. Not for the free, bro.
I think it was more of the fact that there was flexibility there. 'Cause I was still in my chair.
Oh no.
Well, we could do it. We could do this. We could do it.
Why do you gotta look like I was holding you hostage? I take a nice, pretty picture of you, and you make yourself look like you're being held hostage.
Exactly. Should we have that chat with her feet? I did. I did wiggle my toes for you.
Oh no. I wiggle my toes for 200K, bruh.
I
Who
like.
got that? Who's that? Who's my Arabian prince?
Ow. Oh.
Look at them.
6,700. My fingers hurt. I know. It's not. It's insanity. She waved at chat with her feet. I did. Now I remember why I stopped drinking soda. Why did you stop drinking soda? What does it have to do with my feet?
No, literally. I'm confused. Is that like your alcohol? The sugar gets you.
Haas, that is my bush. Haas, don't touch my bush. Leave my bush alone. Alright. How many attempts do we have left? I got 4 left. I can accumulate 10 to up to 10. Ooh, I
You know what? I
in-
saw that sweatshirt. Did I? I don't think I bought it.
I've seen it twice now, and I didn't have enough stars for it last time, and so I was like, I gotta get it this time.
I had to get my giant fish tank before I got that. I was like, damn. I'll save them star. I don't like how Wish got more stars in the day.
Flash it, flash it. There you go. Call me the Flash. Of course. Now they're hidden. Oh, and it's going fast. What the heck? Whee! It's going so much faster. I have GERD. No, that sucks.
Not the GERD. Say.
And the sodas cause me a lot of issues. Yep. Yeah, that is something you have to be really careful with. I don't know if prebiotic sodas, because I drink like Bloom. I don't know if that causes issues with GERD. I'll have to look into that. I haven't had any like acid reflux or anything with the prebiotic sodas, but the only ones that I can actually like withstand the taste of is like the Bloom one. I can't stand any of the other ones.
Agreed. I can't drink Poppy. Poppy doesn't agree with me.
I tried the Rise coffee.
And while we wait,
it doesn't taste like
hydrate.
mushroom.
Is that the mushroom? I was gonna say, is that the
Cat.
mushroom one?
It doesn't taste like mushrooms. It really tastes like coffee.
Give me a second,
I'm
dear. I'm gonna
surprised.
challenge.
I was saying my mom was trying to get me to try it 'cause she wanted to try it and she wants somebody to try it with her, and I'm like, I don't know about that.
Dark sodas are terrible, Haas. Like,
Hey, don't you hit on my Dr. Peppy.
I mean, they're. I love Dr. Pepper. Don't get me wrong, but like the moment I drink Coca-Cola, it's like I have instant acid reflux. It feels just like terrible.
That's because Coke takes rust off of metal.
Yeah,
That's
it
a
seriously
whole-
does.
That's a whole cleaning supply right there.
Seriously.
Pour it down your toilet.
I don't think I'm gonna make 7,000. I got 33 seconds left.
I mean, on the blackberry diet Dr. Pepper. That's a mine.
Ooh,
That's
you
my
know, my
favorite right
husband
now.
loves that one. He likes the blackberry one. He likes any berry Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, I got used to the zero sugar one. So it's not that bad.
I can do it. I can do it. We got this. I can do it. I can do it.
You got this. Come on.
I can do it, please, for the love of all that is holy. Give me the point.
Call
No.
the bunny gods. Dang.
What the heck?
The bunny gods were not on your side.
I seriously thought I was gonna make that. I'm gonna put myself in the corner over there and just contemplate existence
Stand
in this
there?
game. Have you tried the Pepsi one? I had a few of them. I've tried a couple of Olipop. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan. I'm really not a fan of Olipop. Maybe it's just too strong for me of the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna rage like I did with the pools. I'm pretty close to it, man. I'm seriously like, what the fuck? I'm so close.
The drink pop, just I don't know. It tastes like too medicine. for me.
Yeah. If you try the Bloom one, they have a raspberry lemonade one that is absolutely delicious for both the energy drink and the soda. Oh, sorry. And I love it. Like, the flavor is absolutely yummy. And I don't feel like I am drinking apple cider vinegar.
Oh.
Yes, the Bloom one.
And what is Bloom? Is it energy drink?
Bloom is a prebiotic like drink company, and they have energy drinks which are delicious, and then they have like a soda version of their energy drink, the same flavor, and I like the raspberry lemonade, and then there's like a cherry one too that's really good.
Oh, I might have to try it.
Yeah, I think out of all the energy drinks, I think that one's the nicest, and it has like the least amount of crazy shit in it.
I got ADHD. If I drink that, I'm gonna go to sleep.
I will literally go to sleep with a Red Bull in my hand. It's not even funny.
I'll be like, I would drink coffee, and my husband would be so freaking confused. He'd be like, "Why are you tired?" And I'm like, "I don't know. I just drink it for the
Literally.
taste."
Seriously, like my husband will be like, "I gotta drink decaf or I'm gonna be up all night." And I'm like, bruh.
I do not. I need to drink it so I can go to sleep.
Like I'm pretty sure my husband has the tism and I have the ADHD.
Oh, that's a great combination.
It is a
yeah.
wonderful combination. This man goes through hobbies like nobody's business. Like he jumps from Magic the
Dang.
Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh, board games. There's just so much. Like I can't with this man.
Shoot, I might have both then. Cause I be jumping a hobby to hobby. All my plants are dead now. It's in a giant plant kick. I have a whole thing of yarn.
Oh yeah, you are definitely going through the hobbies.
I'm doing. I have so many hobbies, and I still be getting bored.
Yeah. I think he has autism because he's really sensitive to caffeine.
No,
For
jumping.
sure. Oh, my town is public now. No!
How do you make it public?
The timer ran out, so it goes public.
No.
It's okay. I don't think we're
All the
full anyways.
No, it
Oh,
wasn't
the
full
goose.
when I came in.
Now that that little boy's gonna come back.
How does that song go? That's like just a little bit of tism is a little bit of fun. I don't know if I've heard them. I don't know if I've heard that one. I have to look that one up. I'm
Both
not gonna
me-
make this. I'm gonna still
Both me
try.
and my husband both got ADHD, so it's always chaotic in this household. We're always like yelling or screaming. We're always like out and about. When he's on the phone, he has to walk around.
Oh my god.
I'm like trying to listen in the conversation. I'm like, "Where are you going?" And he's like, "Walking away." I'm like, "What the heck? We're all in the same
Didn't make
conversation. Why are you walking away?"
I'm not gonna crash out on that one. I knew I wasn't gonna make that one.
1, 2, 3, and go.
And Rickety Records, but
And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch.
Oh, he's back. He jumped off the bed. Now I have to get up again.
oh no.
Oh no.
All right, I'm getting up. Don't look at me like that.
Are we done skating?
Where are you going? You wanna go back on the bed? Come on, up.
You got anything new for me, Blanc? Come on, bro.
I'm gonna yell at Sir. He's been on this streaming this entire time and he didn't join us. He was supposed to join us.
Dang.
I'm about to say some shit to him. Hold on. I'm gonna mute.
Is he scared of new people? Sorry.
No, this man is not scared. I'm gonna unmute.
Oh,
I'm gonna unmute this
He's
man.
taking over the chair.
Pokemon Insider.
I'm gonna yell at
where is it?
him.
Come on, get on. There we go.
Audacity.
I want a dog so bad.
He like sat his cute
Hold on.
ass
Oh.
down. and Was like,
The
"You want to sit
audacity?
down?"
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I've been here playing this whole
Yeah,
time.
he
You're
sat
in a
his happy
private-
ass down.
You're in
He's
a
like,
private
"You wanna
thingy
do
on
what?"
your own. Hints. Points. Okay, it's under my account, inside her home. Rewards. You're playing with other people. Oh, it's at yours? I didn't know.
Oh my god.
Look,
This
look.
man.
All I knew is that you were
What happened?
on February 27th. Oh, I see which one it is. Hold on. Look, I was looking. I'm like, oh, you're playing with other people. Okay.
My god.
Okay, I guess I would just play alone. I'm literally sitting here like, oh man.
That's
But
crazy.
it won't let me put it in the cart. It just says
Wow.
coming soon.
This man.
Kitty, welcome in. Welcome in.
He was
How you doing?
supposed to play with us, and he did not. I am
Yeah, wait till
upset.
it's available. Okay, I'll leave the window open.
We should have took a giant.
I literally
Can we go
looked over.
yell?
I'm like, oh,
Can we
he's
go
one of
yell
those
and
people.
scream?
Well,
No, it's okay. I'll yell at him later. Make him feel bad.
Okay.
just play over here.
Lay it on thick.
Okay, so I will go join. I will go join.
Okay, this
Let me
man's
finish here.
joining us. I have pushed him into it.
Did you go and chat?
Hell
You're
yeah.
like, come join us?
I yelled at him. I said, the audacity. Because he messaged me earlier. And he was like, what you playing later? And I was like, well,
What you playing?
EDLV. And then he was like, And I was like, you want me to play Heartopia? And he was like, if you play, I play. And I'm like, okay. And then this whole time, I was like, man.
I'm so glad I wasn't streaming. I just ran over Demon Cat with the car.
Oh. She's okay.
Demon Cat's alive, but I ran him over with the car. Why are you?
Me when the
Haas
animals don't.
is in
When they
danger.
size me up.
Somebody's in danger. The audacity.
Does anybody need the crystals?
I'm just glad no one witnessed it.
I have all of them.
Nobody's
I
there.
don't think so.
I'm heard about it.
Oh, my tomatoes are grown.
There's no one there.
Oh, Momo,
This
you got a
boy is so
visitor?
protective.
You have a
Wait,
visitor?
what?
This boy
I
is
have a
so
visitor?
protective.
There was a visitor by your house. Oh, and never mind. It's by you. The visitor is by you.
Oh, I was like, who are you? Get off my lawn.
This man pops in this VC. I'm gonna be like, how dare you?
I gotta pop back in the other VC real quick.
Okay.
Gotta be back. But join whenever you're free.
An hour later, my game finally works. Oh my gosh. Audrey. Thank you. Thank you for the offer.
We be chilling.
You know I always pop in there.
Hell yeah.
With y'all.
Alright, I'll be back. I'll probably be back.
Hi.
I'll be in the world though. I'll still be in the world.
Okay. Well, I'm glad your game is finally working, Audrey. That's annoying that it didn't work for you initially.
An hour is crazy.
That is crazy that it took that long.
I would just open the game on my phone.
I would be done. Okay.
This is how I get stuff. This is how I get stuff in this game. I'm like, I'm just gonna play on my phone.
Mm-hmm. Chester's in my lap. Okay. Sir joined. He's in his house. Got it. I was supposed to do like the decorating. I was supposed to do things, and I did none of the things. I don't know if I
I've just been bopping around.
I feel like for an hour we were just sitting there hanging out and looking at people's houses.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What do I need to do? What do I need to do?
I guess I'll work on my puzzle that I need to work on. I don't want to, but I guess I will.
I need to find this grasshopper. This dang grasshopper. Ah, my nose. Eek. I don't know where this grasshopper is, but I'm gonna have my net out
No.
just in case.
Never mind. I don't want to do it. I'm already. Nope. Puzzles are not my friend. They've never been my friend. My mom says I used to just walk away when she'd put a puzzle in front of me. I'd be like, you know.
Oh, really?
I was that kid, yeah. It's just like, you know, I don't have patience with it.
Green birdwing. Oh my gosh! I thought this was like a butterfly I already had. I'm glad I stopped and like caught it.
Got it?
Yeah, because it kind of looks like the queen one. What is it called? Queen Alexandria butterfly. Chester, your nose is so cold, baby. Hi, Nova. Welcome in, dear. All right, I'm gonna go. There's your house. You're over there decorating. That's a cute house. I love the blue. The fuck is this? This is a garage. Oh my gosh, this is a garage. This man is here decorating. And he's still not in VC.
Too funny.
I guess I can. Okay, we're gonna open that up. I love when two taps become one.
I'm here. I am here. Look. I will say it was my fault. It was my fault. I saw you guys partied up, and I didn't think to check.
Audacity.
To see if it was
the
yours.
audacity.
I just saw you guys partied up. I'm like, oh, I guess I'm just gonna sit out and do
This
my thing.
man.
It's all good.
I
It's all
have
good.
told him several times.
Understand, I'm not the only friend. Don't assume. I did.
You
did
thought
assume
he
it
was
my
gonna
fault.
listen?
It was my fault, 100%.
Yes.
I will take responsibility for that one.
Wow.
All right, I'm going to visit. I just had to finish that. I
I'm
want to see how this looks.
Literally
I
in
don't-
your
I don't
face, sir.
think
I am
it's not too
literally
convincing, not like
in
that.
your freaking face.
Whoa. Is it okay? Hello. All right, which one are we doing? Are you're that mad?
I am so
Look,
mad.
I'll do the fluffy one, okay?
Hmm.
You know you can't resist. Come on. There we go. I don't know how I feel about these beams.
So
I
angry.
don't know how I feel about these
I'm
beams.
so angry.
All right, where are we going? I don't know how I feel about them.
Oh,
I have
mine.
to integrate them
Okay.
somewhere else.
Ooh,
Maybe
You
if I
know
put
we
lights
need.
also in
Come on,
there.
you
I'm
know,
here,
emote.
but
You
I'm
need a
sitting
waiting
out.
emote.
I'm doing my own
A
thing
waiting
at the same
emote?
time.
Yeah. I
What's
do
your
need
own
that.
thing? What are we doing? I did
So
assume.
him-
I know. I'm sorry.
Sir's
I would
late.
say
You'd
don't
be
assume,
like-
and I did. No, it's my fault. It was my fault. If you don't, okay, fine. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't even look. I didn't even look. That's my bad. My bad.
Hmm. About to yell at him. Okay. Look at the kitty cat with a mustache. There's something. Hmm. I already pet all the animals? Okay.
Hey, look who it is.
Hi.
The audacity. I am so upset. So upset. I was like, maybe he's just not. I didn't get an alert that you were streaming either. So I was like, maybe he just didn't want to stream today or something happened.
No, it was my fault. 100% my fault. I didn't even think to check to see if it was your server. I mean, your server that you guys were in.
I am scrunching my nose at you. I just want you to know that. Disapproving nose scrunch.
My bad. My bad.
We've talked
I was
about
like, oh,
this.
well,
I told
I know.
you.
But look. I saw y'all playing, and I'm like, oh, well, I guess I'm gonna do my own thing, so it's okay.
Literally chasing
Like-
each other with axes and talking about cute dresses. Come on.
Oh, jeez. Oh, wow, that window is really out of place. Jeez, I need to do a lot of work in my
Oh,
house.
wow. And your walls are different colors, too.
I know. I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
Okay.
You got me out of my
Sorry.
designer groove.
I'm gonna help Sparkles with her puzzles.
All right.
Because I really refuse to do them.
She's like, I hate them.
That's the fun part, doing puzzles.
Oh no. Forget it. I'm not
That's
a
the fun
puzzle
part.
person.
I
I was that child that like my mom would be like, "Here, let's do a puzzle," and then I'd walk away and be like,
No.
All
right. So here, what was going on here?
Oh.
I'm gonna go into solo build real quick. Oh, I think I still got pictures of that one house that I like. I need to look at it.
Yeah, we could do co-building together.
Yeah.
I just don't know exactly what I do for my house in this game.
I believe you, Britt. I believe you. I literally was like, the audacity. I cannot believe
Look.
it.
No. Here's the thing. He didn't say she was in her private server. He said Lawn is in a private server. Big difference. Big difference. Just saying.
Same thing.
Same,
not.
exactly
It
the
is
same
not.
thing. It's implied.
We literally
not.
talked about we were gonna play together, and I know damn well I started streaming first. So come on, butt in here next time.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
It
I
was implied.
failed.
I just got to miss out on playing with you extra. It's unfortunate. Sad. Tragic.
Don't worry. I cry myself to sleep tonight. Don't worry.
Oh, okay. You don't have to do that. I appreciate your allegiance, but
too
you
late.
don't have to commit.
Too late.
Commit to the bit.
Crying already.
No.
All right. I need to figure out exactly what to do here. Oh, I need to look at the pictures first. There's this one house that I saw, guys, and I took pictures of it, and because I liked the color combination they had, and I liked some stuff that they did, and I'm gonna mimic some of it. I don't know how much reconstruction is gonna require. You didn't even see the centerpiece in the house inside.
I have to go check it out.
Yeah. Yeah. So get it straight.
Don't get in here with sass. If anybody should have sass, it's me. I should still have sass.
Where are your pictures at? Oh, here they are. This house right here. I like
really cool.
that. I even took pictures of the bedroom and the bathroom. This house, I like that. I like those colors. I think I'm gonna mimic something like that.
The hell is this snowman? There we go.
Oh, that is a cool design.
It was just simple and I liked it. And the colors helped a lot.
I did
Mine are
the
like
colors.
different shades of grays and different shades of black, and like I gotta unify it all and finally bring it together. I feel like the inside layout is kind of coming together. But now I gotta get like organize all the crap that I have everywhere now.
What's up, Miranda? What's going on? What you doing over there?
So yeah, I think I gotta figure out how we're gonna make this work.
I think the black poles are really cool. What you could do is add a deck right there, and then maybe make it like a parking garage or something underneath there.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I was looking. I just put them there just to look. I wanted to see, can I really pull it off? And I don't know. I kind of don't really like it too much. I'm not gonna lie. I might take it off or do something else. Because I felt like this deck was just like too empty underneath.
I
don't know.
Yeah, as I was saying, like put like a deck there or something. Like you can make like a little second floor there, and either do like some place to sit.
Who's this?
Oh my gosh, Miranda, you are broke. Like no joke.
Grammy, you left me hanging. Grammy, slap hands, please.
Slap hands.
There you go. We did it. It skipped the animation and everything, but we did it. We're friends.
Oh yeah. Slap them hands. Everybody slap them hands.
Alright,
I
so
hope that I have 400 of each thing and waiting for cooking right now. My goodness. A lot.
let's go into build mode again. Do I have one more puzzle in my bag?
I have done the puzzle for you, Sparkles.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You want me to like... Oh, I can't box them up for you. That thing. was gonna try.
I don't know where I'm gonna put him anyway yet.
I'm still looking for this damn grasshopper. It showed its face.
No,
one
our
time.
level went up. Our level went up, Grammy. That's what I meant.
You coming for me, Audrey? Ooh. Let me see.
Oh. Was not ready for that one.
Ooh.
I'll figure out what to do.
I don't ask for this, it just comes to me, okay? Listen, it just...
Okay. Well.
Well, this is a cute house. There's a cute house next to Momo.
Let's do this. We're gonna do this.
I love the color. Okay. I'm gonna have to use that. I like that color combo. This is very put
There's
together.
this one.
I'm looking through their window, and I got an axe in hand. I'm gonna see if I can like mess with them. Just be staring
That'd
at
be
them
funny.
through their window. Like,
Do
"What
it."
the fuck?" Where are they? Are they in the? Hi, Audrey. Audrey, is this your house? This is so cute. I was trying to like look through the window, but if this is your house, it's not? Ah. I was gonna like creep on the person who owns this house and like stare at them through the window. They got a vineyard. Take all the things. Oh, it's her house. Hi. Like your house.
Where are you? Let's do. What's the railing?
Bug.
This one.
Where's this bug? This grasshopper.
Which one?
It's like a tiger stripe type of looking grasshopper, and it's all green. And I don't have it because I've never seen this grasshopper before.
Have you seen an ant?
I've seen an ant before, yes.
Are they big or small? I've never seen one.
I would say that they're
Is
a
it hard
little...
to spot?
I think I've seen mine in a bush or a tree. It was like a really random spot, and I like barely spotted it. Let me see where they like what the thing says about it. Collections, bugs, insects. I've only caught one this entire time. Ant details. Fishing village square area.
Is that where you might find them?
Looks like it. It says it's active daily. Yeah. Yours is still the starter house? Hey, that's okay. Sometimes
wrong with that.
it's good to just get all the things and then just see what everybody else builds and then go from there on what you want to do. This is cute. Like, I'm constantly changing my house. I like this bridge. I need this fencing. It's cute though. She's gotten some of the good stuff.
Ooh, this is not friendly with me right now. Okay, this is seriously glitching.
Aww,
All right,
so
let's not do that.
cute. I love this color scheme. I might use this color scheme of the greens. Bed. I like to look at people's pictures in their houses.
Weirdo.
They have a picture of like a car floating on top of another car. Like it's doing some cool like race move. And it's just glitched on top. It's cute. Alright, I'm gonna get out of their yard.
Oh no, I won't do it.
Oh, let's
see if
break
we'll
it
do it if I do
down.
this.
Can we do a cooking party? We can.
What is that?
A cooking party is where everybody gathers around, you pop a rainbow bouquet, and then you just start cooking like crazy.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a couple of rounds of grabbing some stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Grabbing berries and apples.
For the cooking party?
So I can make a whole bunch of jams and stuff.
Nice. Are we actually doing that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice. I'm down. Am I invited?
No, absolutely not.
Figured.
Actually, does anybody have the multi-cooking stations in their house that can host a cooking party, or do I need to make some?
You?
Well, I don't. I only
Not
have
a question,
one
is that?
station. Well, I only have one full cooking party station.
What about the sweat area?
My sweatshop? Yeah, I only have like one station for a person, because if two people try to use it at once, you're gonna get glitched and burn everything.
Ah.
I'm gonna go to my house. I can get a couple more going. And we can just move it outside.
Can we donate towards it?
You'll make the stoves, Miranda? Okay, sure. Appreciate it. You have to just craft a whole bunch of stoves. Grammy's house. There's Miranda. Okay, I'm gonna head over to Miranda's. I'm gonna get some goodies. Oh, that's a cute house. I like that house. Been too long since I've had two people try to use it at once. Oh, he's muffin. Calm down.
All right.
Oh, this is one of the pre-builds. That's cute. I love it. I like that design. I might use a pre-build design on my floating island when I eventually unlock it. I don't feel like I have the energy to do another original. Esther, you chilling on my lap, kid? I like the blue tiles on this. Momo did a good job. Okay. I'm going the exact opposite way. That's too funny. It's my first comment after walking the dogs and make myself a cup of relaxing chamomile. That's a pretty unhinged comment. Just walking back and chatting with it. I don't need that bug. I'm terrible at catching bugs. Amount of whoa shit! She just came out of nowhere. I hit a person. No one called the cops.
20 points.
Nope. Leave my
Alright,
points
I'm
alone.
gonna hop off. I'm gonna join in from my phone though.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks for letting me join.
Of course, of course. Thank
You're
you for
welcome.
joining. Oh my god. She's literally
Bye.
been here practically the whole time, sir. When your butt should have been in here.
I snuck up on her.
Yeah,
Alright,
she did.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I wish you can grab like multiple things and just do one thing to like all of it.
Mm-hmm. Like coloring the walls?
Yeah, like just coloring all of it.
Oh, you just gotta use the dragging. Like once you color the wall piece that you like, then you can drag.
Does it drag? Would it replace it, or do I need to delete the wall that was there prior?
So if you're trying to paint walls that are already up, there's a bottom left corner of your painting tool when you're like on the paint.
Uh-huh.
And it's a swiping motion, like a swiping. So select the color that you want, whether it be through the
select the
little
outer wall
pipette or-
first. What texture should I use for outside?
I don't know. Hi, Lydia. I wish I could grab multiple things on certain. Wow. Damn, Muffin. You're spicy tonight. Okay, so stop. There's a little. Well, is that what you're going for? Or are you
No,
doing that?
I was just trying to look. Oh, that blue is too blue.
Ooh, that is a very blue.
That is a
Let's
very blue
spice.
blue. Oh, that's a darker. Yep, there you go.
There we go. Okay.
So I don't know if that's the pattern I want. That's where I'm. Okay, but let me figure out. All right, what
So
are we saying
there's
now?
a
What do I
little
do?
slider at the bottom left.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna turn that on, and now you can swipe color. But if you change
Oh.
colors, you have to do that for every single, like when you switch, you have to flip that back on. Oh damn, Miranda's definitely making a cooking party.
I had no idea that was a
It
thing.
is a very good song. Yes, Haas. I love this song. Date night.
That
Lawn
is
and-
interesting.
Howdy. Wow, you really went all out with the cooking party, Miranda. Holy crap. You're gonna have enough?
That makes
Think I
everything
do.
so much simpler.
Work smarter, not harder, sir.
I don't do either.
Okay. This okay? I like this. This is so nice.
Oh, this is so. Oh, this is groundbreaking.
Riveting.
Oh man, you have no idea what you've done.
What I've unleashed.
Yeah. Oh no, I hit complete by accident.
Oh no. I think this is more than enough. I feel like honestly,
Gotta
we don't
figure
have
out how
enough
this
people
looks.
for this cooking station party.
All right, where are we meeting for that?
Cooking station party is
actually
over at
like this.
Miranda's house.
I actually like that color.
It looks good. And then you could do like a light white stone for the accents to
Yeah.
go like against that, or you can do the dark the black. Do you want to do that?
I actually kind of like that blue.
It's very nice.
I forgot. Second game was 206. Nice. Good job, Britt. All right, where are we going? Where are we going? Where are you guys at?
Over at Miranda's house. She's in plot number 3.
We're on our way.
I'd like to see Sir work.
Do I need to take something?
harder. Things that you're gonna cook with, and make sure you don't have your inventory completely full. Yeah.
I'll be there in a minute.
She has so many puzzles. Oh, I have all these puzzles. Never mind. I'm pretty sure I have these.
Oh, I need to see what that lady down there likes still, so I can do that.
Hmm.
What that lady? That came out so wrong. So give me 1 second. I need to check up on this person, Azure, whatever her name is,
Azure, yeah.
and then I'll be back.
Okay. Miranda's searching my pockets. She's gazing deeply into my pockets, pondering what she should purchase. You don't have any puzzles in your pocket. I have built them all. I don't know if that counts.
Could you tell Mean Bear how this game is free?
What?
Could you say how this game is free?
The game is free because all you have to do is just download it on your phone,
There
PC,
you go.
whatever you want.
There you go.
The only
Yep.
non-free part about it is that's if you willingly choose to participate in it, is the gacha
Mhm.
system. But honestly, you earn tickets for the gacha system.
Iced coffee cup. Yeah.
Certain someone we know has gotten their My Little Pony Rainbow Dash card for gratis. Makes me pissed off because I spent $55 on mine because I had spent all my tokens not realizing that this shit was coming, because I definitely would have not spent it on the other one.
See, I had no idea, so my stuff was just sitting there, and I also got it in 4 spins. So there you go.
Miranda's like, I wish I only spent $55. Ma'am.
Iced coffee is what she needs. All right.
She wants iced
Now I'm going to you
coffee.
guys' house.
You're lucky. I think mine is ridiculous. Look.
Yeah, Mean Bear, free game. You can play it from your phone, from your tablet, anywhere you go. You can hang out with it. Why is this card? Okay, that was interesting. So yeah.
Oh, shit.
Sorry. What are you saying about this game? I was busy fighting an epic battle. Oh my gosh.
I'm watching
This
Miranda.
is Grammy's house.
Yeah, Grammy's
Grammy,
got
I
a
like your
crazy
house.
house. I wish I could dance to this. This is crazy.
Grammy's sitting outside in the porch in a rocking chair.
Nice.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, Grammy. Your house is pretty good. I like it. Am I in the right house? Plot number 3, right?
Plot number 3. We're on the side over
Right.
here.
Oh, you have stoves.
Yeah, she does. Come here.
You have stoves.
We're gonna pop this and we're gonna start cooking.
All right.
We got 30 minutes of good cooking. All right.
30 minutes. Let's do it.
And go. I'm gonna make up these lattes. Bonify Haas. Hold on. Let me cook these lattes.
Mean Bear, I was saying that this game is free and it's awesome. You should download it so you can play it anywhere, and you'll be playing with us, so even cooler that way. And you can join private servers like I did this whole time. I've been in a private server.
You could have
I
been
did
in
not
my
come in
private
late.
server. Matches the song.
Oh, you have it displayed, Grammy? I had no idea. Okay. I will go when we're done here.
Okay, go ahead and switch scenes. I'm doing a little VTuber action here. I'll be right back. Meow, meow.
I can't do more than 2 at the same time.
You got a skill issue. That's what that is.
This is no, because these are very volatile.
What one? Oh gosh, it's not supposed to show it yet. No. Okay. Well, all the pop-ups are gonna happen. There we go. I gotta change how quick it loads now. There we go. Boop ba doop ba doop.
So Mean Bear, you're getting the game, right?
That was so loud. I'm missing a 4th stove. Yeah, we don't need. I think 4 stoves are fun, but it's a pain in the ass to turn around sometimes. The 3 stoves works nicely because you don't turn as much.
Oh, you burned one.
That's crazy. Oh, fuck. I pulled one too early. I was getting too click happy. I was ready. I was locked and loaded.
And how are you still going? When I get home, I'll stop and. Alright, sounds good. Be safe, dude. I can try to do 3. I feel like I'm gonna burn one, but we're gonna try it.
You got this. I believe in you.
So much faith.
What are you creating that's so volatile?
Is the iced coffee? See, I can't even do it.
Oh my god.
I'm already failing.
Oh, it's because they're like all next. Yeah, you gotta run down there. I max 3 with the coffees.
I burned one already.
Oh no.
Yeah, I got 6 to do.
You might have to have the stoves like in a 3, like a cross.
Bizarre drink.
Miranda, would you be able to move the penguin stoves to do like a cross?
I feel it's fine. I'm gonna stick to 2 because I feel like these are just a little too volatile. It's just they're popping off all the time.
Well, you're also having to run. Oh wait.
Alright, I'll get out of your way.
The tragic thing is I don't have any of the truffles. Thank you, Miranda.
Oh, that would've been good.
Oh yeah.
You don't have any of them?
No. Unfortunately, I don't. I'll probably just make
Shame,
some
shame.
regular mushroom pies, which isn't as good as truffle pies, but
Sword, thank you.
I also haven't made them in a while, so with my level being
4?
so high-
I'm not gonna do 4. I will stick to 3.
Yeah.
Too much faith in me right there. Nope. I'll stick to these 3 right here.
Look at this team.
Hi,
I'm
Silent.
gonna try 3.
Welcome in. Hi, Simmer. New record.
Listen.
Good thing I didn't do that while I was
This is stressful.
feel the stress.
Clinch you more than I do in Fortnite.
Careful, if you clinch hard and long enough, you might just have a permanent ass cheek like that. Have a frog butt.
Oh, wouldn't be too bad. I'll live with that.
Well, speaking of frogs, I caught one earlier. That was wild.
Oh, in the game?
Yeah.
Oh.
But you know what's weird? It says
I didn't know that was a thing.
edible frog.
Ori_VTTV rated
look
my
at this
stream
team.
with 6 viewers.
Great.
I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna mute myself. Goodness gracious. Raiders, welcome in. Oh god. I'm gonna exit out of the game for a moment. It's so loud.
We're gonna go to that moped tonight.
I'm here. I'm floating. I'm a floating bunny. I'm part of the scene. I'm one of the stampeding animals. Look. I'm stampeding. Move out the way. I'm just chilling. No. Stay still.
We are very concentrated, huh?
I'm sitting on the TV. Look, I'm sitting on the TV. Boom, right there. We're locked in. We're locked and loaded. Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in. I'm normally not a VTuber. Okay, I am normally not a VTuber. Have I caught a seahorse? I have caught a frozen ice seahorse, but I have not caught. Let me put the music back on. I have not caught a regular seahorse yet. I'm pretty sure. But welcome in.
See, this showed me I could do 3, so
How was your
I
stream,
should get another
Corey?
stove set up in the house.
What were you up to? We come in peace. That's cute. That is a cute raid message. I gotta turn this music down in this game. It's gonna blast me. It's so loud. Let me turn it down. It's so loud. Why is it so
I'm not doing 4. I'm
loud,
not doing
though?
4. Don't even.
Why is it so loud? But welcome in. Thank you so much for
Oh,
raiding
won't let me click in the
into
back.
the dumpster fire that is my stream. Stream was relaxing and just worked at my TCG shop. Is that the TCG simulator game? Oh, we got somebody else coming in with the cookie party. That's cute.
Whew.
But we're just playing some Heartopia. Oh, 5,000 points, guys. Our $10 gift card giveaway is happening this Saturday. When we do some more Heartopia. This is kind of
Alright,
like
let's
a
try this again.
unplanned Heartopia stream.
Still got enough stuff to do it.
I was supposed to be streaming DDLV, but
Oh no!
I wasn't
Alright, that was
feeling
my
it.
last one then.
So we're gonna do a extra bonus stream tomorrow. But we're cooking up. We are cooking. We are doing the thing. Haven't streamed in a bit, but glad I did. That's great. I'm glad you did too. I'm glad you had a good time. Sometimes it's just the best stream when you just hit stream. Unplanned, you just hit go and
Alright,
you
so
do
let me
it.
see how many I made there.
Hi, welcome in, Carrot.
That is... Where are they?
Back from our walk. Did you have a good walk? I saw that you logged into Heartopia.
5, 28,
My ear is itchy.
29. Alright.
We're
I have a
just
question. What would be something good to cook then? With my leftover stuff?
Stalker, I do stalk you. You are
Yams?
You are stalkable.
Mushroom pies?
Oh, we can't mute
I
this.
do got a lot of blueberries. Should I make some yams?
So I know that some high profit items are Mandarin jam, afternoon tea, and then something easy to make is grilled shiitake.
I have none of those recipes.
You don't have any of the you just gotta take the shit, one of the heat stables is unstable. Yes, definitely need it. That's good. I'm glad. If you take the mixed jam recipe and you replace it with the fruit with the mandarins, and you make mandarin jam.
Oh,
Aww.
I knew that.
Thank you so much, Carrot. Nice night. We are having a cookie party. I think there's room on the. There's one more spot if you want to join us, Ashley. We're over here hanging out. We got Miranda over here cooking with us.
Nice jam.
Take advantage of these 30 minutes of this rainbow bouquet. How do I find your town? You can click on me and join. It's not coded or password protected or anything. It's a public one. We were on a private server, but we are no longer on a private server.
I was on it the whole time too.
Yeah, you were absolutely on that private server the entire time.
All right, Mandarin jam is a good one to make.
Yeah, Mandarin jam is a good one to
Alright.
say. It says it's full. No, it is full. It just got full. Yeah, it just turned to 12:12. Nah, when I just checked. Hi, how are you? Oh, I ran out. I guess I'm gonna make lattes now. Well, what am I out of? Oh, I'm out of that mushroom. Never mind, I can switch to a different mushroom. Let me know if someone leaves. Yeah, I will keep an eye on it. I'll wait for this to finish. Yeah, Miranda's got us hooked up over here with all these cooking stoves. I'm gonna
I
have to
know
do
this
this.
is awesome.
Let's see, what other mushrooms do we have?
This is actually pretty cool.
I need to like move my bunny up just a little bit. She's like hovering precariously over the edge of the TV. There we go.
Who's buying the Mandarin jam?
The freaking alien spaceship dude, whatever his name is.
Alien spaceship dude?
Whatever his name is. I
Oh,
don't-
the guy that's walking around?
Yeah, the one who wants to make a spaceship.
Okay.
That guy.
Why did all these? Why are these triggering so fast? Holy crap!
What's going on? Okay, I'm gonna try a different pie because I ran out of those pies. Shiitake pie, button mushroom pie. Let's make this one. It looks so cute. And I think I have a decent amount of it.
And I need you. And I miss you.
And while we wait,
And
we hydrate.
Y'all are causing chaos.
If I could fall.
Thank you for the hydrate. Over.
I have a bunch of mandarins.
Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Fire. Welcome in. Thank you so much. Topher.
I never met nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy the way you do. I've never met nobody
Like you. Thank you so
Topher's
much.
Tavern just subscribed.
I appreciate you subscribing to the dumpster fire. You must be possessed. Who forced you? Oh my gosh, why is it so loud when we go back in the game? How's Heartopia treating me? I am loving it. I am addicted, and we're doing cooking parties right now. I gotta make some tomato jam or tomato
Somebody's
sauce.
cat is hungry.
You're
I ran out
doing
of
well,
mandarins.
friend. How are your streams going? Missed you too. And thank you for the hydrate, Corey. I almost burnt that trying to take a sip of my drink. My goodness.
All right, let's see what I can cook. Man, I'm gonna run out of a lot of stuff.
Got some
okay,
tomatoes,
bagel.
4-star tomato sauce. Hell yeah.
Let's see.
Byron, thank you for catching me on fire. I
Mushroom
appreciate
pie.
it.
That sounds disgusting. A mushroom pie? That actually sounds kind of gross. Well, let's see, what can I swap this out with? No, I only have.
I'm trying to turn back on Discord.
Let's burn some blueberries. Do some blueberry jam.
And thank you so much again for the freaking raid, Corey. I really
Wonder how
appreciate
much
you.
Mushroom pie would go for.
I hope you're having a great rest of your night and that you do some
Grilled
self-care.
mushrooms.
And I think
listen.
you should definitely
That's what it is.
hop on and do more streams. I think you just got to get back into the swing of it and you'll feel right at home again. But of course, IRL before URL. But I would love to see you stream again. Okay, let's see. I gotta get this Discord back up. I'm back.
Oh, you were gone?
I muted myself. I was yapping. I was a yapper.
We used to that.
Oh, thanks. Let's see. I'm running out of things.
I
to
quickly
cook.
ran out of stuff.
I'm like getting creative over here. Oh god, the jam's gonna burn. The jam's gonna burn. Oh my god.
Wow.
I never met nobody
Everything.
Like you, had friends and I've had buddies.
And we're gonna sell all this
It's
food.
true, but they don't turn my
That's my line.
tummy the way you do. I've never met nobody
Oh, you beat it again.
like you.
Megama 1207 just
What?
subscribed.
Meg, thank you so
I'll do
much
that.
for resubscribing to the Dumpster Fire. Thank you so much.
Hey,
Hi.
listen.
Hi, wife. How are you doing, beautiful? You must be looking in a mirror. I know you're not talking to me. I know you're not talking about me. Absolutely, this baby is just kicking my butt, making me feel like farts. But today was a good day, and I hope I can get back on schedule. Absolutely. I hear that because having a baby and having littles and stuff like that, it definitely takes a toll on you.
Ooh, what did I get?
So I hope that you get all the rest. I hope that
What was
you sleep so well
Collections?
that you feel like you woke up in a different like year completely,
Oh, here.
and that
Oh, I got all
you
that
drool
stuff. I didn't
so
even see
hard
that.
on your pillow, and that there are tons of pillow marks on your face. She is preggo, yes.
Oh, this thing is still glitched out.
You announced, didn't you announce it?
Yeah, it is.
Where,
Darn,
I'm trying
that
to remember
sucks.
where you announced it at. I feel like you announced it in somebody's chat. I hear it. My brain is not braining right now. It is not doing the thing. And congratulations. Oh no, the pregnancy announcement was someone, they're becoming a grandma. They announced it yesterday. 13 weeks and 5 days, girl, that's crazy. Okay. Here, I'm gonna make these. Oh my gosh, I'm distracted. I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna burn all the things. There we go. Ah. Ooh, I'm doing a Lego stream next Saturday, not this upcoming one.
Ooh.
I'm gonna build the small Lego set that me and Kitty have.
Ooh.
Are you an owl? Are you saying who?
I'm asking who's doing the Lego set.
Oh, I am with Kitty Cat Zanya.
Oh.
I was like, who?
Oh, nice. I'm like, wait, who?
It
What's
kind of
that?
sounded like you said ooh, and I was like, is he saying who?
I said who? Oh, jeez.
It's like we have an
What
owl.
set are you doing?
I'm doing the one that Inbrit gifted me, the Lego TV one that has like the different.
Oh,
it's
nice.
the little
That
mini
is
Lego
actually a really
set.
cool one.
Yeah. I can't wait. It's so cute. I think that's the one we also gave away on the stream too when we were doing a giveaway. And Inbrit offered it up to give away because he had so many extra gift with purchase ones. That man has a huge Lego set, like collection. Oh my goodness. Yes, okay, cool. I was like, I know my memory is absolutely crap, but I'm pretty sure she got it from a giveaway. Oh, what's that? I don't know. Wow, I got a lot of stuff. And I burnt a shit ton of... Well, no, not a shit
I
ton.
haven't burned anything. Somebody's having some skills issues over there.
Oh, gosh.
Do you need help? Do you need help?
Then why did the stoves magically have to move? These penguin stoves,
What are you
huh?
talking about?
Hmm?
I used all 3 of them efficiently.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't burn anything.
Sure.
Except that one drink, but that doesn't count.
Except that one drink. I don't know what she wants. I'm gonna go find this dude before I run out of room. And then I'm also
Might
gonna
have to take a trip.
see if she's gonna take something.
I gotta buy more coffee bean stuff. Yep, I think it's... How much time do we have left on the thing?
It should tell you in the top right, like top left corner. It's one of those little...
8 minutes? Oh, I might as well just finish cooking stuff then.
Mm-hmm.
Is 8 minutes enough time?
To go like...
'Cause I need to go all the way to
You're right.
the
It might-
recipe person
I don't think it's to go sell or to like see what she wants.
to buy more coffee stuff.
Oh, I mean, risk it for the biscuit, my friend.
All right, let's go for it. Oh, present.
One!
I'm just gonna make. I'm a snowman. You're a freaking snowman. Where are you? Where? Are you?
All right. Bird. Oh man.
Did you put the snowman outfit on, Audrey? Is that what you're doing? If you do that like 6 times, you get a like a frosted skin.
Oh gosh, dang. Sorry.
You're good. Oh yeah, for anybody who's not aware, if you go and put the snowman, if you go interact with the snowman at the event page, you will get, like, if you do it 6 times, you will get the blue skin. Makes you look all blue and frozen. I think it's the only like full body color that you can get other than the normal skin tones. The what snowman? There's a snowman in the event area. I'll show it to you guys. I am the father. Oh my gosh. Daddy Corey over there. She's 100% daddy. He is the father of her own child. He's the father and the mother. I'm gonna try to see if I can do 4 of these. Wish me luck, everybody. Oh gosh. Oh, I ran out of recipes. Material. Mother, father, gentleman. Yes. Dang right. You know, I have an over 9,000 daddy, and whoever gets the over 9,000 daddy gets a gifted sub if they don't already have a sub. We got a 90% daddy in chat. We got 40%. You guys know that I have that all the time. Every stream, I do the daddy challenge. I just don't announce it. Y'all just have to remember. And then you get to become the daddy of the stream. We get to call you daddy for the stream. Because you're over 9,000 daddy. You slacking. Yeah, you be slacking. We ran out of eggs? That's why I can't make any more pies. Okay, well, boo. Got a 60% daddy. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, Lord. I'm going to turn off rating because my concern is that I'm going to get raided and then my ass is not going to sleep for a long time. So stop raids for an hour. Whoever was looking at me, stop and don't raid. It won't work anymore. I have unrated. I didn't like it when it didn't like it. It does have a cooldown. Objection! I know someone was looking at me and they were like, we're gonna raid her. And now they can't. Okay, so the snowman right here on the top of this, like, whatever the fuck this is. If you interact with it, like go to the front of it and hit the snowman button, you turn into a snowman. And you can do it, like, I think every 15 minutes. And when you do it 6 times, you get a blue skin that you can wear. You turn all blue like you're frozen. It's kind of funny because people will be like walking around with it on. You can't do anything. How are you doing, Signos? What was I coming down here for? I don't know why I came down. Actually I do. I need to talk to her. I'm pretty sure it's the same shit she's been selling me.
Hey,
eggs.
listen.
You know what? I do need to buy eggs. I have not bought eggs. Marvelous and wonderful. That's good. It's the same crap. She's not gonna give me much with this. Porque I don't think there's anything in her shop either that I want. Because I'm pretty sure I have these puzzles already. I'm pretty sure. Like, I'm gonna go double check, but I'm pretty sure I have this one. I know I have this one, and I know I have this one. But I'm trying to remember if I have that one. I'm pretty sure I do, because I was chasing down a lot of puzzles. You don't? I don't? No way. I'm gonna go back to the house. I can buy it from my house. That's like the only one I'm not sure about. I'm like collect so many damn puzzles, like I'm not sure. I'll go into the collection room and see. It's down below. Whee! Shortcut. Let's see, so there's that. Yeah, I have it already. I have it right here. I figured. I was like, I'm pretty sure I am not missing this. Oh, I can put this on here. I forgot about this. Where's that? Did I put it in storage? What the heck? What did I do with it? I was trying to tell you that. Sure. There it is. Do I not have room? No! I don't have room. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna go build a table. And then I gotta go sell all my stuff. Hopefully with a decent amount of money. What's Sir up to? I feel like Sir's doing something. Oh, he's got raided. I'm sorry. I'll shut up now.
Merlin scribbles ancient spells to make the night sky extra bright. Donald fusses with the tree, though it falls over every night. Scar pretends he doesn't care, watching quietly.
I'm gonna mute myself. I'm gonna behave. All right, I'm a yapper. I am a yapper through and through, so I hope he muted me. I had no idea he got raided, and now I know.
Yes, the valley's filled with magic,
I'm so sorry. I really hope I wasn't a nuisance. Okay, let's see. We need this one. I don't have enough wood. No. I don't have enough wood. Oh my god. Scared the shit out of me. What are you doing? I'm a snowman now. I'm a baby snowman. Look at that. I'm a baby snowman. Wait, who is this? I can't see who's in here. Scared the shit out of me. I was like, there's a fucking snowman coming at me. Scared the shit out of me. Oh my god. Worth it. That was... You like literally came out of this corner and was like, bah, and I was like, ah. And now I'm a snowman. I'm a snowman. Oh my god, my furry senses are tingling. Oh my gosh. That shit was too funny. I'm gonna go see the spaceship dude while we're doing that. Oh, there's Annie. I really hope I get this dang Lego set. Which Lego set? Thank you, Audrey. Thank you for the jump scare. The jump scare I was not expecting. Or ever anticipating. I seriously wasn't expecting anything like that. The snowman on... Who are we gonna mess with? Maybe we should go mess with Sir. I think we should go mess with Sir. Let's go mess with him. Oh, it's gonna suck because we have to walk all the way over there. Alright, we gotta walk. We got this. I'm walking. I'm walking. On, just. I'm staying up just to get it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, that scared the shit out of me. I was like, what in the hell?
Hey, listen.
Snowy Lawn. I'm on a mission. Listen, I am on a mission to get to Sir's house in this snowman. Hi, Keys. You made 150k? Holy moly. Alright. Alright, Audrey, you gave me an idea and I'm gonna go mess with him now. And I'm gonna go slowly creep up on him. I know he's back here. And I know he's staring at the stove, so he's not gonna see this. I can see what he's looking at. He's not gonna see this shit. And it's gonna be so fucking funny. Okay, hold on.
Really good at reading. I'm not the best at it, but
I gotta wait. He's got to get back into it. Hold on.
Yeah, I did that. I let you guys.
There we go.
Emo. You know what? We should just have an emo party for that, right? We just should celebrate that I locked you guys in an emo only chat.
There you go.
For probably the last 5 minutes while you guys were raiding in.
Oh, he's got like a 30-second delay.
Oh, geez. Oh, it's gonna burn. Oh, this one burned. This one burned. Ah, it burned.
You burned the shit out of him.
It burned.
Hear him
I
so
burned
good he
it.
shits himself, not a jump scare.
I burned it.
Does he not see me? How late, like
geez.
how delayed is his stream?
Bizarre drink. That's a drink you get for burning a drink. So, anyways, as I was saying, we need to schedule some Phasmo. I would love to play some Phasmo. I am, believe it or not, Loki. I know
The money
this
is
probably
same.
gonna be a surprise to you.
Strawberry jam is where the
I'm
money is.
branching
Same with
out
grapes.
of,
Yeah.
Fortnite quite a
Strawberry
bit.
and grape is good.
Since Fortnite has been
I'm not at
where
grape
the hell
though.
did this come from?
Oh my god. We're gonna creep around
Is
it.
that a person?
He's staring at it.
Fortnite's been not so nice.
He
So,
doesn't know I'm in it.
Because of that,
He doesn't know I'm in
we've
it.
been actually
Where is he at?
playing other stuff.
Where'd
and
he
that's how
go?
I ended up finding this game.
No, where'd he
And
go?
I will tell you the truth. I'm loving it.
Bruh.
I've never played a cozy game before.
Bruh, I gotta go chase
Tell me
him
about
down.
it.
No!
Yeah, I've never played a cozy game before. This is pretty much
Brother.
the first cozy game
Brother.
I've played. And I've been hooked up.
He doesn't
Hooked
know
on
I'm
I've
in it.
hooked
Been
on
there.
Hooked up. I've been hooked on it, and yeah, I'm feeling the burned
Damn
out.
it.
Are you feeling that
Bro, I gotta
from the
go
finals?
all the way over there. This motherfucker. He's
again, thank you so much for the
over.
rage. I freaking
Oh
appreciate
my
you guys.
freaking goodness.
Honestly, Loki, I don't know if it's just a
Hold on.
shooters thing.
Hold on. I have to. I'm working. Oh my god, I can't go this way. Ooh. I'm walking. This is the longest jump scare ever. A walk scare at this point. I ran out of snow. Damn it. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back. Dang it. That is rough. Oh, he's right there. I like how it gets smaller. Where is he? We're chasing him. Oh my oh my goodness. Hi, Wario. My snowman is gonna bust again. I gotta go all the way back to his house, brother. Okay, I gotta reapply. Reapply. He's gonna what? He's gonna bust. So as the ghost and Phasma say, close to busting. It's cowboy hat in the song though. We're not blaming Kitty. Yeah, it's Lon. It's me. Is he at his house? He is, this mother trucker. I have walked 1,000 miles, it feels. A snow job will make you do that, I suppose. Oh my freaking goodness. Does this man have an outhouse? He literally has an outhouse. That is wild. Oh no, not this way. Oh my god, where is he? This man is planting. Oh, he's up there. Okay. Wait, walk 1,000 more. I don't want to walk 1,000 more. He's showing his house off. I'm scared because if I move any more, I feel like the snowman is gonna like freaking just explode. He can't hear me because I muted myself. Where is he? I'm so scared to keep moving. Why blame me? I did nothing. Look in your DMs and blame Kitty. What? Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna play this. Got a new song, guys. Oh yes, we're haunting. Very haunting music here. Where is he at? The patience I'm having right now. I have 800 coffee beans? Holy moly. I forgot to buy the freaking eggs. Where is he at? In his bathroom? Don't ignore me, sir. I gotta track him, yeah. He's on... I can see where... He's on his roof. The dog. And he's not out here. Oh my freaking goodness. This man. Did he just fucking leave again? I can't.
This is so weird. Alright. Oh, I do the whole time. I'm muted. Oops, add BRB. Oh, I'm sorry. The ad should be ending here pretty soon. It's about 40.
It's a good song.
Super Career from Little Nightmares. It'll be fine.
There we go.
With the existing art. Grammy, I need to go to your house. We need to go to your house, Grammy.
There we go. Do you know how long I was chasing
Thank you for the daily check-in.
around? Like,
Were you the one in the? I'm like, who is this
yes.
weirdo? Oh, that was funny.
I was like, oh my god. You literally hopped in your car and your stream's like 30 seconds behind. And I was like, no. Like he left.
Oh, that is funny. I was like, who's this? Who is this person? That's so weird.
I was trying to jump
look at
scare
this
you while
house.
you were cooking. Which house?
I saw you standing next to me. I'm like, this kind of creeping me out a bit.
Oh wow. That's I like the color choice. The black and purple.
Yeah, those windows are not cheap.
All right. I'm going to see how much I get from all this. I did a decent amount of cooking.
Need to do that. Welcome back. I'm gonna mute myself for a hot
Back
second.
is back. Welcome back.
We need to go see Grammy's house.
What's up, Miranda? How you make that coffee? The latte? Half milk, half coffee? You can swap the coffee. Instead of 4 coffees, you could just swap 2 of them for milk. Oh, I don't want to sell my tomatoes. This song is very haunting. Yeah, that's how you make lattes. 54K is not bad.
That's good because I think I combined I got like 20, and I also got 16 from the event person lady, which means I should have enough for. Yep, I got enough for the moped. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the my new moped down.
Have fun. Okay, let's see.
I'm driving my car just to go 5 feet.
I respect
I'm
that.
gonna do this. Let's get the moped. Ooh, should I get the moped or the bicycle?
Woo! You got
Moped or
stuck in the
bicycle? I don't
water.
have a bicycle yet.
Here's Mo. Momo. Trying to hit me.
Let's get the bicycle first. Purchase. Confirm.
Trying to hit me.
That's not bad. So, give me myself for.
All right, I gotta mute my mic too. All right, guys, we're gonna raid. We're gonna raid Sir. He can't hear me, so we're gonna raid him because I want to harass him via a raid. So we're gonna get ready for a raid because I gotta get sleepy. I gotta get sleep, guys. I gotta get some sleepy sleeps. Haas, thank you for the song. I loved it. I am like freaking excited to like make a Halloween list, and that one's definitely going there. Yes, you need some sleeps. I do. I'm already washed up and ready to go to bed. I just gotta crash, so. Yes, thank you for the company. I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate all the love, the laughs. Streaming the laughs, yes. And thank you so much for the raid, Corey. I really appreciate it. I'm so happy that you got to stream. Definitely, if you want to talk or anything, if you feel like life is life and too hard, let me know. My DMs are open. You are always welcome to slide into my DMs, Corey. Always welcome. I love it when you guys slide into my DMs. Alright, let's see. We're gonna raid Sir. As long as he's got his raids on. As long as he's got his raids on. Aw, thank you, Corey. I appreciate it. I should probably switch to face streamer. Let's go ahead and switch to small cam. Nah. I'm ready. I'm ready. She sends feet pics to people who slide into her DMs. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I do not. I show them on stream for free, for gratis, okay? For gratis. There's no private DMing of feats. Don't you be spreading those rumors. And I've had way too many people sliding into my DMs for these wigglies. All right, guys, let's go ahead and... Oh, he was like right there. All right, guys. I have a cat on my lap. Let me show you my cat. Flash him out. Pussycat. Oh, Chester. The very cat that my in-game cat is based off of. This is Chester. He was like, I was sleeping there, Mom. He's like, I was sleeping. Look at him. He's like, please. Mother. All right, baby. Listen, we're about to go to Cuddletown moment anyway, so you're fine. You'll live. Hopping in from the Bunny Burrow is our raid message. Thank you, Mod. I appreciate it. You got Zanya in the house. In the house. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get this raid set up. Oh, I'm ready for bed. And my shoulder almost slid out of socket. God, I hate this condition. I have like loose ligaments. I forgot what the thing is. I still got to get further testing for it, but my ligaments are like loose. Like, for those of you who've been pregnant and you feel the loosey-goosiness in your limbs, yeah, I have that all the time now. All the things be sliding everywhere. Lana's loose, confirmed. I mean, I'm only loose for one specific person. And I'm feral for that man. Absolutely fucking feral for him. I feel like I have that too. Yeah. All right, that's it. You're not going. Nope, we're all done now. All right, guys, we're gonna be rating in 37 seconds. I hope you have an amazing night. If you wanna, you don't have to. Oh fuck! I'm not doing that. I didn't mean to hit that. Here's all my stuff. I didn't mean to hit that button. Oh, I get it, Lon. I am the same with Naggy. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. No takebacks? Okay, fine. It's too late to do it because you guys won't have time to enjoy it. But I gotta go. We're reading in 8 seconds. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you so much for being here. Hopping in from the Bunny Burrows, the raid message. Bye, guys. Love you. And we're out.